to scatter. Anything that she do, she wants her gain, oh. If you dey look her size, oh, I am sorry for you.
Calm down. Wait, I don't find this one. Don't follow. Calm down. So I mean the drag now. Now I mean the drag. What not get my head the drag. Thank you, Jesus. Jesus, thank you.
What be Jesus? Not Jesus.
Thank you, Father. I don't for me.
What be Jesus?
Drag me. Come on, drag me. Drag me. They drag me.
You are very. So I said you are not doing anything.
No, not be drag me. Sir? No, he's dragging off.
Don't mind this son of a nobody, this Oyiberibe. Idiots. Ask her what is going on here. Ask who? You this idiots. You are the only one that does not have any human being existing in your family. So
shut up. Are you guys not ashamed of yourself?
No, sir, they don't get shame.
Come on, shut your mouth.
I'm sorry, sir.
Did you know what the gate man said?
No, they did not hear, sir, because he said I should shut up. I'm ashamed of them, let me tell them. I'm ashamed of people. Very ashamed.
So, you people have lost that respect. That you now quarrel in front of the gate man. Are you people mad? Is it that I cannot come back to my house and have peace of mind? No. Am I the first to marry 2 wives?
No, sir, you are not the first. You cannot be...
Get out of here.
Sir?
Don't get out of here.
He said you get out. Carry your cap, come up for here. There is expire channel for please. See, I'm the road smelling anyhow. You talk.
Wait, I want to understand something. Is it that I cannot come back to my house and have rest of mind? Did I use quite to swear for you people?
Hey. How do you have rest of mind? Am I the one that told you that you go and bring this expired man got into this house to come and compete with me? Am I the Hey, look at her. Is it not because of your barrenness? That is why I came in as a rescue mission. To rescue your life. You this witchcraft. Expire China for clean. I have seen the trailer load of children that you have given birth to. Since you got into this house, have you given birth to any child?
I pay my tithe. I sponsor third project. I pay my tithe. How did this happen? Punish me like this?
I will give birth.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
You're putting me spit in my body.
Down! My husband is talking, you are talking. Down! Can't you people pity me?
Look at me. Am I not looking worn out?
You are really.
Can't you people give me peace of mind? Is it hard to ask? Is it hard to ask of living in peace? Is it hard to live in peace and harmony in this house? Am I not doing my best as a husband? Small food that I just ate now has vanished. Because I married 2 wives. I need something to eat. Please, just get me something to eat now.
My husband, I will buy food. I know Oha. I will get you something to eat. You know Oha is your best. Continental dishes. You know you are worn out now. You need to upload this your muscles. See, if it's this one you want, I will give you also from the doggy style. Like this. You don't every time you want to be messing inside your husband's mouth, you'll be messing with fatting in his mouth. Anyhow. Honey, I'm sorry. Don't mind her. I don't like the way she's so fat in front of you. Any small thing food too, she has put her nails before you, which is not right. Hey, you're such a titled man. How much can you do?
It's okay. My bad. Let me go and grind potato.
What's wrong?
So she dey do, wahala girl, so she dey do, wayo, so she dey do, akidio, onye nsogbu, akidio, manipulating girl, akidio, trouble maker, no look her size, akidio.
they're not back.
Yeah. Where's my money? Ah! It was here now. How say they never collect my money, oh? My money, oh! My money! My money! My money, oh! My money! Will you shut up? Where are you coming from? And where are you crying? Madam, I will tell you. I will tell you. Are they here? Madam, like this, I want you to help me praise God for my life. Help me to thank God.
Are you serious? My guy, shut up and tell me what I asked you.
You make I start from to make I tell you what happened today. Today I sold very well. I sold very well. In fact, I made enough money. As they come back, you know how them would they take work now? As they come back, for you know, I'm robber just jam, just come. For you know, I saw thief. For you know, henchman, everybody just gather me on top of my small head. They call they drag my go. Before I look, I got the see say my money they follow them, waka they go.
What of unknown gunmen?
Don't want to enter too, but wetin dey convince me be say I don't know which of them carry the money go. But I shall not say the money follow one of them comot.
Why they not kill you? Yes. Why they not kidnap you? Cut your neck, come off from your head. Tell me why?
Auntie, you want make I die? As a small rich. I never say anything for this life now. Oh.
Let me ask you, what is life without money? Asana, if you die now, wetin I go gain or wetin I go lose? Nothing. So you better make you just die, make them kidnap you, kill you.
And you see wetin you dey talk, see wetin you dey talk.
Before you shed your crocodile tears, you see the money where you realize from today's sale. You must give me. If not, you know they enter this house.
No, Alana, make I first chop.
If make you chop wetin?
Make I chop food.
That food go grow for your head. Now your head it go grow. The only thing wey go enter your mouth for this house, now your tongue, your teeth and your spit. Aside that, no food for lazy man.
Yeah, I'm not the lazy, not the come.
If I slap you,
make I confess, make I talk truth.
Get luck. Small pikin, when they use me, they play. Armed robbers, kidnappers, only you. Wait, to make I ask you sure say you never they do picking pockets? You go carry a go drop for road, they do picking pockets. I don't they suspect you.
And and all those people then they drag my go. Be like say I know who collect.
And I dey hear.
Na full and yes me collect am.
In the morning.
Wake up. Good morning, ma.
Okay, you don't wake up now. The announcer make I first greet you. Come front, man, they see you.
Why you dey share agbo this early morning?
I want make you go bath. Make you enter market.
Auntie, you know wetin be time so? It
swear, I don't enter market by this time now. Make I just chop at least. I never chop anything.
Wait, now talk you they talk, I be your belly they sing. I don't understand. Okay, now you go tell me where you go. Yesterday when you come back, you carry any money come house. I don't understand. Person go they follow you, they talk with small soft voice. You know they like how multi person shall give you. If you see wait, which match won't take chop the food? Come on, enter house, go prepare, make you go market.
Nobody don't come outside, it's too early.
I go beat you. I go beat you. If I count 1 to 2, say your shadow sit there here. 1.
Madam,
1. You go just dey bring out the bad character wey dey for human being wey person dey try hide. I will rise and praise the Lord in the morning, early in the morning. In the morning, I will rise and praise the Lord. Odogunaga Dikeh naga, Eze Jesus. Odogunaga Dikeh naga, Onye na gloria. Odogunaga Dikeh naga, Onye na twagbo. Odogunaga Dikeh naga.
Just give me this one.
I know what you want now.
Give me.
You prepare this one very well. This one go hurt you.
I have match this now.
You get match.
I get match.
Like you go play this match very well.
I get match.
This now go hurt.
Hey,
Drink am now. You don't trust me.
I trust you.
Drink am, trust me. Na better one. Okay, they drink now. They drink. This one go enter. You feel am, abi? You feel am.
Nah, this thing bitter too much. Allow me to drink that money.
Now the hotness be that. Now this small thing they take time finish. Say na 2 cup once.
Need to fix it now. Jara now. This one too small now. Now your customer.
Bring my cup. My money.
How much?
150.
For this small thing. No need 2 cup I take now. Maybe 100 naira.
Which kind of stop with that one? Now you go teach me how I go take sell my market. The money now 150.
Take it easy now. Eh? Look at this small girl. If you like I go stop buy something for your hand.
No buy now, I beg you.
Yeah?
Okay, if no buy, no buy next time. Give my money 150.
150.
Yes.
No problem now. Now I give you your money. Take your 100 naira now. No be 2 I collect. Na 2 I collect.
Like say person wants to chop. Where you dey go? Yeah, no. Where you think say you oga see na small thing dey vex me. I go too beat you. I go beat you. If you no give my 15 naira.
I will kill you with my hand if you really leave my side.
Hey, you kill me. Hey,
this small girl.
You go kill me today. If you don't kill me, now me go kill you. I swear to God. Hey, I go kill person for the street. Person go die. Person go die.
Hey, leave my cup. Look at this small girl.
Look at today.
Leave my cup. I will kill this.
Yeah. Is this not Akide? 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 What are you doing here? Are you okay?
What are you doing in Singapore?
Singapore? Hey, Akide, are you drunk?
They mad.
You say?
They mad.
Me?
I be like person wey dey drunk.
You're obviously drunk. It has gotten to this.
Come over here!
Hey!
Idiot.
Okay, no problem. I will
You
go.
don't even know who you are talking to.
No
problem, oh.
Now we go.
Come and drink with me. All these small girls. All these me I won't take like that now. I want to sleep. Yeah! Hey!
Auntie Anne! Auntie oh! It's me, come out. Okay, Auntie. Hey! Auntie. I saw a kid on the road.
Wait first, let me ask you. Where were you expecting to see her? In the bush or inside the clouds?
I saw her drinking herself to stupor.
Drinking what?
Obviously, your agbo.
No. Wait. Is it my agbo or she patronized someone else?
Auntie Anne, your agbo now.
My agbo?
Come, let me go and
Take
show
me
you.
there! Let's go! Hey! Akidi! Hey! Akidi! Who are these bombo class?
Alright.
Come. You dey mad? I be on it. Eh? What is small girls wey no know their elder? I go beat Grace comot for your body, oh. Idiot. You know sabi greet.
I told you she was already drunk when I saw her. You've seen it, Abby?
Akidi, so this is what you do. I will give you a go to go and say you will use your mouth to finish everything. At the end, you come and tell me that you were robbed by 100 men. So this is what you do. Your cup don't finally full. Don't worry. You will come and meet me at home.
Auntie, are you leaving me?
No, I will carry her on my head.
Yeah.
Yes, I will carry her. Okay. You will meet me at home now. Okay. Back in the States, everybody they respect me now. But all this small, make I just relax for my brains first. I will deal with everybody. Nonsense. Obi, if you taste this food, hi. This
Something like rice?
Yes.
Oh.
My husband. You will enjoy it. Just pray. Hi.
You see, I don't understand. Push it out of here! And you're not going to take me from the rubbish person. I beg this my food, Jare. Go there, will let me give you food.
I don't understand too. I don't understand. Jehovah Jesus! Is it my food? My plate! Your blood, I swear! You threw my food away! I smell the pino! Did you make them do for my own food? My own food! I will kill you! You are talking about me! Bless you! I'll get you! Let's forget you! You will forever! Don't mess in my mouth! Oh my God! If you mess in my mouth, that will know!
Before I have meat here. Now what I'm saying here is only bone. But that's, by the way, is nothing. Okay? I want to understand one thing. Is it that you people don't get tired? Guys, don't you have Don't you have headache? All this fighting, people don't have headache. Why can't we live in peace in this house? Why can't we live in harmony? When you wake up in the morning, you see your co-wife, you greet her. You hug her. You ask her, how was your night? Why can't we live like that? Why can't you understand that I am your husband and you need to respect me and give me peace of mind?
There's only one way you can have peace in this house.
Very good. That's why I want us to have this discussion. So you tell me what I should do. Because I'm ready to do anything. Everything it will cost to bring peace in this house, I will do it.
Beautiful. Thank you very much for this question. Thank you. So you can do anything, Abi. Send this good for nothing God digger. I'm no perma thief. Send her away from this house.
It is your full generation, your mother, your father, even that your barren said that is a gold digger.
Look at who is barren, calling somebody barren. It is your generation that is barren. Shut up properly. See the kind of hair you are carrying. Idiots. You look at her. Yogurt. Expired yogurt.
You are very stupid. You are the one that will leave this house.
Shut up properly. No, to see you now. See you every day. One leggings that you are wearing. You better. You were really sure to tell me you didn't tell her enough. Now you're not telling me enough. Look at that. Hey, people say you're the one that's going to go and bring this idiot into this house. Your eyes is like a blind Bartimaeus eye. You don't have eyes that can good at all. This is your brain, nothing is inside. Look at the kind of woman you want to go and bring. You know, never know no cocoa. You never know no you're done with this. Yes, I'm not telling you what you that is it. Open down one place. So now bed.
So you have joined Darling.
You are so yes. So you have joined. You don't have sense. I'm joining her. You think it's to wear glasses and carry your shoulders. You must carry those things. You are not carrying those. You are not ashamed of yourself.
Can you just shut up first?
Oh yeah, now talk. Talk. We're here.
Let me use the blender. I want to grant Pancanel.
You see me?
Auntie, I beg.
Shut up.
I beg, na the devil. I beg. Auntie, I beg.
That same thing.
I beg. Auntie, baby, no one.
I want children to come and beat you.
I don't
want them to come and beat you.
Na
face front.
Na devil, auntie, na devil.
Face front.
Auntie, na devil.
Do as if you want to twerk.
Ma,
I
know that you twerk. Wetin be twerk?
Do like say you want to twerk.
Yeah. Auntie, see, na devil come there. I don't know auntie. I just say make I tell wetin I say.
Na devil dey my hands. Na make I use the devil.
It no good.
Akidio, onye nsogbu o, manipulative girl, Akidio, trouble maker, no look her size, anywhere she goes, she want to scatter, anything that she do, she want her gain, oh. If you dey look her size, oh, I am sorry for you, oh.
So your eyes are clear now, Abi. How will a small girl like you be drinking? Why? You dey mad?
No, tell me. You dey mad? If I test wetin I dey say na bad thing.
Test wetin you dey say.
Wetin even concern you? Aproko, wetin concern you?
Thank God I met you earlier. Only God could have known what had happened to you. You think this city is like your village, Abi?
I don't blame you. Now see finish the cause of this nonsense. Idiot.
Come over here, Joe. Bad belly. Ashawo.
Idiot.
I supposed to follow you, but because of you, I go follow this side.
Idiot.
You don't get respect. You don't get respect. Nonsense. All these small girls don't get respect. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Nonsense people. Let me
see how they'll find me in this place. Hey! Yeah! They want to take my money. They want to take my money. There, you just stay here for the meantime. Stay here for the meantime. This new product. Make I test them. Make I see how this one they test for body. Enter. Enter, oh. Why did they turn my eye now? Why did they call it turn my eye? I can rest myself. Hey! Magbo! Manye, the thing there, keep the agbo for you, then I sleep. Hope they never collect this agbo. How? Hey! Good evening.
Madam, good evening. How you doing? No, go.
I won't tell you something. I want me help me do something.
Wait till you won't tell me. This one you don't want giddy. You sure say you never get belle. This one you don't want kata.
Which kind of talk you talk with this? I never carry belle. Now one secret way we go keep between both of us.
Now they tell me secret to enter inside mono wetin we dey talk. Because the secret. Come inside.
I didn't tell you now, but
Come inside, mono.
Akeli, what is wrong with you?
what is wrong with her?
She was attacked by some boys. As you can see, she's in pain.
Hey.
Do you know her?
I do. Are you asking me? Akedi.
I don't die, you.
Jesus.
I don't die.
Sorry.
Man abuse and to carry trouble. Sorry. Every day from one trouble to the other. Eh? Hey.
Who the house? Who the house?
What happened?
I don't die.
Some boys beat him. Gay boys wey
Where my agbo? Where my agbo?
Madam, you wetin you want?
Shut up! Where my agbo?
The boys they carry everything, they took everything.
Hey! Now go better pass my life. I tell you say I go soon die. They say I go. Nah, don't they do me like this, madam now? I didn't just see my God.
Sorry. So they're not to slap you.
They give me. Hey. Better slap. Oh.
And your cheek don't swell up.
Don't slap me. Oh. They beat me. They tell me they know me for this side. They know me.
Hey, and your cheek don't they swell up.
Don't they swell up.
Okay, see. Make I enter inside, go carry my phone, more and go hospital.
Okay.
You want talk? I never chop you.
No, I go if you reach there, you will talk.
Ew! Madam, bring the food first now.
So I should die for it? Like I'm the first man to marry 2 wives?
Divorce one.
That way you just sounded like it's so easy to divorce one.
What else do you want me to suggest? You kill them or die for them? Maybe you choose any of these since getting a divorce is too hard for you to do.
I just feel like running away. Just leave that house for them and run away.
You want to run away to return to a collapsed building? Listen, real men don't run away from their responsibilities and problems. You stay and face it.
So?
Go home and face it. It's your home. You are the head of the family. Go and face your problem. Handle it. Yes. Onisi Ezeonu. Isi Ezeonu. Go home and handle it.
Look at you. You will leave this house. You have not seen anything. I will torment you. I will torment you. You never see anything. Hey. You never see anything. I can carry this thing over for here. Look at her. Okay. You're not ashamed. You will leave this house. Witchcraft, everywhere, demon. Holy Ghost fire. Okay. Holy Ghost fire will consume you. Look at that. Maybe you will get it. See that your stupidity. See that your sorrow. Because you will see the bend. Continue to sing. Stop carrying this thing come up for here. Your sorrow. You never see anything. I beg. Come up my side.
It depends.
No, continue now. Why did you stop?
Because you have come.
No, continue now. Low budget Yemi Alade. Continue. See your fans, you're cheering them. My house has turned to a stage. I don't know what is wrong with you people. Are you people not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed of yourselves? I'm asking you. Is it that I cannot come inside my house and have peace of mind for once? Can't you just surprise me? Can you not just surprise me with living in peace? Must I come in here and meet WrestleMania all the time?
Chimo, see who is talking about peace. Hey, did you not tell him? He that fetched an ant-infested firewood should be ready to see the gathering of lizards. Yes, you have not even seen anything. Which WrestleMania? Hey, you have not even seen anything. You are complaining. This one is just Monday Night Raw. By the time I will give you SummerSlam or Royal Rumble, he gets your bara Jesus. Nothing will come and rescue you. Bet it. You don't know. You have forgotten. Go and ask them in our village square. I am a nice wrestler. I am a give people blow, they will faint. That is it because I decided to hang my boots. I beg you. By the time I finish beating two of you with 2 hands like a conga, this house will not even contain you.
Then it will contain you because you are going to sleep outside. Yes. Yes, it will not contain the same people because it's obvious that you are very insane.
Very insane.
Yes.
Touch me. Touch me.
What can you do?
Like the way so give people. Will touch me again.
I touch you.
Touch me the tendon.
Touch you.
Oswald. See the one commanding you, you're not touching me.
The money was just here. Meaning what? Huh? I kept the money here now.
Yeah, take your time, oh. This thing you are doing, God will punish you.
Touch me again.
I will touch you. You are the one that is on sword. You are the one.
Who stole the money I kept inside my drawer?
Who else? If not the thief you brought in as a wife.
Okay, shut up. I'm not here to entertain any banter. I asked this very simple question. Who stole? You know what, let me know you stole. Okay? Maybe I know someone took it inside my drawer. Maybe I didn't keep it well inside my drawer. Someone helped me keep it well. So please, who took the money I kept inside my drawer?
She took it. She was the one that stole the money.
You see? No, Mojo has scattered
Shut up. What did you say?
I said she stole the money. I saw her. I will prove it.
I hope you understand the gravity of what you just said.
Of course I understand.
Shut up, Billy.
Hey! I understand. I'm ready to show you. She stole the money.
You saw when she took the money.
Of course.
Are you believing this idiot?
I saw when she took the money. And you know where the money is.
Let me show you. I saw her.
Show me what?
Let's
don't follow this buffoon. This ex-mad woman that you're following. She wanted to deceive you. She will deceive you. Who knows if you want to go and do another thing with my husband there? I cover my husband and it's something with the blood of Jesus. You will not use it for any ritual. Idiot. Bring the money now, let me see. Go and disgrace yourself. May God punish you today if you do not say anything in that bag. I will carry your head. Two of you head, I will knock you together.
I know you to be troublesome. I know you to be a fighter. But you see, stealing. I don't know you like that. So you went to my drawer and stole my money.
Isn't it? God forbid, but what am I using your money to do?
For what? No, I want to understand what. Have you ever asked me for something in this life without doing it for you? Have I ever been stingy to you?
I did not steal your money. If so, is that what you're talking about?
My friend, shut up. So the money grew legs and went inside your bag. No, it grew legs and went inside your bag now.
So you believe her? I'm sure that this is just me up.
Why wouldn't you believe
I don't so thief.
Please. I've been looking for some small things, small money, small cash I do keep. Please, if you know other things you stole from me, okay, let me know what you stole. You kept it well for me. Please, just kindly bring it out and keep it where I will see it. Maybe if I'm going out, I'll just see it there. Or maybe on the back. Or maybe here. Okay? Please bring everything you stole from me out.
Bring it!
Because it's obvious that you disappoint me. You disappoint me.
It is this imbecile.
You are a thief. You are the one that is an imbecile. You are succeeding. You are the one that is a thief. Make sure you know it. I don't see. I thought when you were sneaking. No, you did not sneak. Okay, show you right.
Jacka just went in the village. You to put one here.
Come now, come.
Come, baby. I'm Papa.
On the thief. Woo! I'm robber. Did you not steal the money? Did you not steal it?
My personal belonging. Should I serve you your food? My personal belonging.
I'm not hungry.
Personally. Person. When will you not be hungry now? Okay, tell me when will you be hungry so that I will serve you your food? What time?
I said I am not hungry. Are you deaf?
Person. Personal luggage. My personal belongings. My person. Person. Pray.
Obim Odogo Ken, the strongest man. Hope you are enjoying this food. This delicious food that I made specially for you. Hope you are enjoying it.
Yes.
God. Chai! I know. Why wouldn't you enjoy it now? Chai! I'm so happy. I am the only one that knows the road to your heart. That's why I prepared this favorite meal for you. My darling, you see, I'm the only one that will safeguard your money. I'm the only one that will safeguard your heart. Look, Obi, hey, my Prince Charming, you know I love you. I will not do anything to hurt you. Every of your property will be intact once I'm involved. You don't have a problem. Hey, I can see you are really enjoying this too. Well, let me give you water. Oh, hey, baby.
But I don't want to drink water yet.
You have to drink now. Why shouldn't you drink water?
I like drinking water after eating.
Don't worry. The love I have for you is too much. Obim. Hey. Hey. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
You need love.
No.
Okay. Hey. Hey. Sugar.
Let me eat first.
Sorry.
Madam, did you call me? Are you okay? Are you good? What is the problem? Are you good?
I am the original madam. I called you here to inform you, to make it clear to you that I am the original madam.
From when? From which side?
Let me tell you something.
Okay.
If I ever see you anywhere close to that thief called Chidi, you will see what I will do to you.
Thief? Are you trying to tell me that thief came into this house and I did not see it? Which thief? Who is the thief?
Of course it's Chidi now. Chidi is a thief.
So my original madam is now a thief. The original.
I don't understand. Are you trying to call me a liar?
No, not at all. I'm not.
No, are you trying to call me a liar?
Madam, can you calm down? No, I'm not trying to call you a liar. But before I believe your cheap lies, I have to hear from the accuser before I believe the reporter. That is a simple thing.
Is that what you're saying?
Very simple.
But for your information, okay, Chidi is a thief and she stole my husband's hard-earned money worth 500,000 naira.
Madam, are you sure of this you are saying? Are you sure of this? Can you defend?
Are you saying that I'm a liar?
No, not at all. But me, I'm not a cheap believer. I take my time. I investigate matters. I focus. I find out the truth. Allow me to do my job.
Okay. The thing now is that anytime I see you anywhere close to Chidi, I won't find it funny.
Ma, no, I'm not saying that you're a liar, but me as a chief security officer guiding this house, fighting anywhere, I have to investigate, focus, directive, check everywhere, then I'll get an answer.
No, you are calling me a liar. I can see that you have gone nuts.
No, ma, no, come out from that nuts. I have not gone nuts now. I'm here with you. I cannot go nuts. Nothing good comes out from nuts. Oh, even Bible said it. Bible said, run away from nuts. Nothing good comes out from nuts. You Lord, no go nuts. You dey here. I dey here in my country.
Solo, you're very stupid. You are very, very stupid.
Okay.
Now let me tell you, for your information, yes, I don't want to ever see you doing anything for that idiot, that thief, that useless thing called Chidi. I don't want to ever see you doing anything, because if you try it, you will regret your life.
Oh, madam, your problem is that you don't want me to be doing anything for her, Abi. Now you are coming. Keep coming out. Bring it out more.
Solo!
Ma,
get out from here.
I should get out.
My friend, get out from this place now. Carry your ugly self. Look at you. That is why you cannot dress properly.
No problem. I'll get out.
See this pig.
I have to investigate the matter.
See this pig.
I can't just believe you.
Can you imagine? Just imagine this smart fool. Eh? If you try rubbish with me, I will deal with you in this house. Look at him. Nonsense. Ow. Baby. Kiss me now. I'm not kissing you again. What style do you want me to give you this night? Do you want me to give you, missionary style, open and close? This house, I'll just position like this. Do you want us to do this like this?
Of course.
Are you sure? Or do you want me to let's just, let me open it? Or you want doggy style? I like my leg like this.
Don't you want it down? That is where they're seeing you. I shall tell Gobbo. You want to give my husband, my poor husband. You want to
What are you doing here?
After you ducked your way and
What
are you doing here at this time of the day?
Honey, I had the dog back. So I came to check if you are okay.
You came to check
this dog.
You came to check what? What did you come? Don't you have manners? Did your mother not teach you manners in your house? You will just walk into somebody's room and start talking anyhow.
So she knock him out with the one that look at this girl with a fry pan head. Let me answer that I don't look at chicken's head.
Shut up. My question is, what are you doing here?
I told you.
Are you not aware that this is a very wrong time?
It's a dog that bats that I came to check.
Leave
Who are you calling dog?
Wait first. Leave this room. Leave this room.
No problem, let us go.
So where are you taking my husband?
Did they marry you legitimately?
Oh!
Did they marry you? You are trying to get married. Show me your ring. Did they carry it?
I don't dream me.
Did they carry it? Let us go. Let us go. Only we will go.
Wait. Did you put in your dragging gel? Wait, you think you're dragging gel?
Yes, I'm dragging
gel.
I did drag a better part of my neighbor. Give me.
Take your time.
In peace.
You are for me this. Mama. What is it? It's a very long story, and you know what I can see without food in my mouth. Else I'll faint.
No. You're not faint. I'll get you something to eat.
Mama, I'll faint. Mama, come with me now.
I'm okay.
Please, I'll get you food.
Mama, you took water. Enough food.
Yeah, you know what?
Mama, go now. Mama, food. Mama, I'll find very soon. Very soon.
Yeah.
Be fast, yo. Mama.
You mean Anne did all that to you?
Mama, yeah.
what I told you now is not compared to what she has been doing to me. That woman is very wicked. And I'm sure it's because of her wickedness no man wants to marry her.
Shut up! You're still a child. You don't open your mouth and say words that are bigger than you.
Mama, there's nothing child about what I just said though. There's nothing child. Mama, assuming you used your eye to see what I saw, you know what I said is true. That woman is very wicked. Kai.
It's okay, don't worry. When I see her, I will talk to her.
No, don't talk to her. Just leave her. Just leave her. You need to start fearing that woman. Yes. Ma, if you wake up in the morning, use 5 hours to fear Auntie Anne. And use the remaining 5 hours to thank Jehovah for what he has been doing in my life. If not, I would have been dead by now.
Don't talk of death. You will not die. Thank God it's better you're back home.
So just don't talk to her. Just leave her like that. Don't talk to her.
I should not talk to her. After all she did to you.
Leave her, Mama. Do you know that woman had the mind to tell me to be selling agbo? Under the hot sun, Mama. Under the hot sun, I'll say agbo and I'll make like 100,000, 200,000 for her. She say it's not enough for. That's why did I make 400,000, 500,000 for her?
Hey.
Your granddaughter has been suffering. I've been suffering. I will say agbo morning, afternoon, night. Under the hot sun, she will not give me food though. She don't to give me food in the house.
Hey.
She don't give me food. Why we can put eating like this? I don't know, it's just God. It's God that is sustaining me. You don't know what this God has done in my life. You don't know.
Akide.
How?
Are you sure of all these things you're saying? Hey. Wow.
Mama.
Food. What?
Food.
The heap of food I brought here that you just finished, you're saying food.
Mama, I just told you 1 week I've not eaten. You need to have conscience.
Okay.
I get to come. That food is too small. I need more food. Mama, you know what I'm coming from.
You go in and dish the remaining food in the pot.
I'm tired now. Mama, give me food now.
Are you okay? You came in. You were about fainting. You will die. And I gave you food. You want some more. You're still saying you're tired.
Mama,
I hope all these things you're saying are true.
Are you trying to call me a liar?
I didn't say, did you hear me say anything? I just asked a question. Are they true? Are they true? Hey!
Mama, they are true.
Okay. Time will tell.
Give me food now.
Go inside and dish out the food.
Mama, I'm tired.
Okay.
This word, everybody just hates me. Everybody just hates me.
My granddaughter.
Hello, welcome, honey. My love, are you not tired of keeping malice with me? Are you not tired? I will not let you be. I will not let you be. I will not.
No, come and force me to.
I will not let you be. You have to listen to me. I'm telling you.
And if I refuse to listen to you? If I refuse to listen to you, what will you do?
I'm not the one who stole the money.
So who stole? The money grew less and went inside your bag.
It's that girl. You know that witchcraft, that's how that girl will be. Ochakamaka. I am innocent. I am not the one who collected the money. That woman.
No, the money grew less and went inside your bag now.
You know that Ochakamaka, that girl that looks a vampire, that girl just like trouble. She's very, very angry because of our original marriage. That girl don't like original marriage. She wants my marriage to be like her fake marriage, the kind of fake marriage you went to go and do with your something.
This thing you say, how does it connect to that I kept money in my room and the money went inside your bag?
It did not went inside my bag, oh. It is that girl that set me up. It has connection. Original marriage and fake marriage plus money that they stole. Tell me now, is it not connected?
It's connected.
Yes, now it's connected spiritually.
It's your brain that is not connected. Please, don't.
My love, wait now.
I said don't.
Calm down first, let me tell you. You have to understand though. This girl want to put confusion. She want to put confusion in our marriage. That's the thing now that I found out. She want to put confusion in our marriage. She wants to. She's the one that. See, she's not the one that put the money. How did she now know the exactly place I kept the money. How did she go and bring it? If she did not want to set me up, tell me. Oh, you see my husband. You see how you are looking now, meaning that you have sense. Because he's a man that does not have sense that will say that he does not understand what I'm saying. But you have sense, so you understand what I'm saying.
If you know what is good for you, just get out. Just come on, leave my. What do you mean? Is a man that has sense? So that means that I don't have sense now?
No, it's when you don't understand
me. No, it has
when
turned to insult. No, me, I don't have sense.
It's not insult, honey. It's when you don't understand me. That's when you don't have sense. But I know you understand me, so you have sense.
Clear road.
Okay, you want us to move? Alright, let's continue to move. Let me explain to you. As I was saying, come, let's be going. As I was saying now. Why you sit there, honey? What is happening? Let us go.
I brought this upon myself.
Yes, so you brought it upon yourself when you brought in that wicked person. Take her away so that you don't keep on bringing things into your body. I'm telling you the truth.
All my heart. So with this food there, you will enjoy it. Just sit down. Quietly eat.
I'm just taking my bath.
Obi, we need to eat now. Why are you complaining? Let me help you out. Going to enjoy it. You enjoy this meal.
Don't eat that food! They poisoned it, Obi! Hey! Obi! You are about to eat a poisoned food now. I don't want you to die before your time. I cover you with the blood of Jesus. They are about to poison you. Jesus Christ.
Just imagine what you're saying. Are you mad?
You did not poison his food.
Did you poison my food?
Obi, don't make me say that I'm disappointed in you. Why should I poison your food? Must you listen to every dog that barks on the streets?
Look at this man get the cookie. No budget a cookie. Look at it now. It's not all Samaritan spirit. If she said that she did not poison this food, or you drink the juice, or you eat the food, you think I did not see her? I I saw her with my 2 korokoro eye when she was poisoning your food. She did not know that I saw her. I'm your CCTV, don't worry.
Wait. You poisoned my food.
I don't understand.
Look, this is a very serious matter. You poisoned my food. For what?
Are you kidding me? Why should I ever think in my head to poison you? For what?
Jesus, I
Okay. Wait. It's fine. Very okay. Just test the food. You didn't poison the food. That's fine. Just test the food to prove a point.
I don't understand.
The food, or you say you saw her poison the food and the juice.
Yes.
Test even if it's the juice. You don't
You're
filled up, right? You're filled up. Test the juice.
Why should I drink it? For what now? If you don't trust me, it means you don't love me.
No, it's fine now. So in case you say the food is heavy to eat, drink the juice. It's just to drink it.
Drink it, low budget
It's fine.
murderer.
You didn't poison it.
Low budget murderer, drink it.
No, it's fine. You said you didn't poison the food, Abi. It's very okay. Test it.
Why should I test it? Look, Obim, I don't like this nonsense.
Fine. You said you didn't poison it. It's very simple. Just test it to prove a point. Even though you don't want to eat the food, it's fine. Just test the juice. You said you saw her poison the food.
I saw her. Test it, low budget murderer.
It's okay. Just test.
Look, I'm not drinking this. If you don't trust me, it means you don't love me. What's the meaning of that?
Meaning what? What do you mean by that? I didn't ask you to test food, so you don't say it's heavy. Just test the juice. Just take a sip. It's fine.
Alright, fine. If I tell you I'm not disappointed in you, I'm lying. This witch will just come from nowhere and convincing you.
Test
your mouth.
Test it.
I will test it. Fine. I will not juice. I will drink it.
Test it, low budget murderer. Test it. I said it. Obi, what did I say? Cover me with the blood. Father, cover me with the blood. Cover me with the blood. Father, cover me. Hey, why would I do such a thing? Now, what Holy Ghost fire? She's not Holy Ghost fire. She's not Holy Ghost fire. In the name of Jesus. We are the Lord Jesus. Gather. Holy Ghost fire, destroy them. Holy Ghost fire, pursue them. Holy Ghost fire, pursue them. Holy Ghost fire, destroy them. Holy Ghost fire, pursue them. Holy Ghost fire, pursue them. Holy Ghost fire, destroy them. Holy Ghost fire, destroy them. Holy Ghost fire, pursue them. Holy Ghost fire, pursue them. Holy Ghost fire, destroy them. Holy Ghost fire, destroy them. Holy Ghost fire, pursue them. Holy Ghost fire, pursue them.
Hakidio, onye nsogbu o, manipulative girl, Hakidio, trouble maker, no look her size, anywhere she goes, she want to scatter. Anything that she do, she want her girl.
Or am I too small for you to see? This big girl, if you greet me with your size reduced, are you stupid? Am I the one that is supposed to greet you? Am I your mate? I thought you greeting is by age. You showed me first, so why didn't you greet me? You would have greeted me now. I don't blame you. I blame your mother that did a terrible job in raising a bad child like you. I don't blame you too. All thanks to Jehovah who didn't give you a child. One yaga. Did you just call me a barren woman? Where is your child? I don't see anything.
Sherry mama corner. Try. Bring your money, collect the solution. Hey. Na so she dey do, na so she be, manipulating, deceptive, na so she dey do.
And you're wicked, you're heartless. God will punish you. It will never be good for you. You wanted to kill my only granddaughter, that I gave you. Hey! Mama, calm down. It will never be well with you.
Mama, calm down now. Are you the one saying this? Allow me to speak first.
Speak. What do you want to speak? Eh? Speak, okay? What are you speaking? Eh? That you wanted to kill my only grandchild. Hmm? To think of how I came pleading and begging you to please take her along with you to the city. But you just wanted... Just because you don't have a child of your own, you wanted to kill the only one I have. Oh! Anne, Idojo.
Mama, if you talk. Yes, I want to make her explain.
I thank God my granddaughter came with her head on her shoulders. That's why you would have told me one long story that you didn't know. Blah blah. Hey, Annie Joka. Was busy drinking the agbo you gave her to sell for you.
Mama, not once, not twice, not even thrice. I came back to this village, to your house, to report to you that she is missing, not even knowing that she's already back to the village. Mama, do you know that Akidi fakes injury? Yes, she's a fake injury. She will drink my agbo that I give her for sale. After getting high. Yes, after getting high, but when she drink, she will get high and trust the remaining goods. She will fake injury and lie to me that she was robbed. It was after I caught her red-handed, faking those injuries that she ran out of my house and came back to the village.
Hey!
Oh, wow! You are blaming me, calling me all sorts of names.
Come here! Come here, Kidi!
I want to take something. Take what? Come here! Come back! Take what?
Akidi! So you were busy drinking the agbo your madam gave you to sell for her, eh?
I know she has deceived you, but she won't do. Mama, why would she be selling this small girl like me to be selling agbo under the hot sun? Why didn't she sell it herself?
You are very ungrateful. Small pikin, go and sell breast. You are still a suckling baby. It's not your fault. You are ungrateful. But Mama, didn't we agree that she was going to sell agbo before I took her to the city?
I know we agreed, but when we got to the city, why didn't God change your mind? Because you get bad hearts. If not, you must not say, I just want you to say agbo under hot sun.
So you know God, and you are drinking my agbo. You know God, and you are lying. There was I still kill you there. Testing machine, tester. You are testing my agbo.
Okay, since you know how to keep promises, Mama, after you sent me to any school, what class am I in? Answer now.
After the agbo, you will go to school.
After the agbo?
Yes.
No wahala now. Let me Kukuma expose everything. Mama, she does hook up. Yes, she used to bring man for me. She used to I tell her, no. I'm very innocent. My mother is praying for me. I don't want. She was telling me that I should follow man. Hey! Lie!
Mama, you are taking her words for real. No. Mama, look at me. Mama, look at me. Do I Mama, look at me.
You will know them. See, Mama, say it. Hey! With that person, you will know them. Hey! See her head. Look at.
Diego, I've always known that Akidi is naughty, very naughty, and also mischievous, but not to this level.
Yeah. So Mama, if I hadn't come, you would have think me to be the worst person on earth. Yes, but thank God I came.
My daughter, please,
I'm apologizing. Forgive me and also forgive her. Oh, please. I will talk to her and I'm sure she will turn for good. She will change, oh? Biko.
Mama, you know I have never said no to you. But this time around, it's a no. I no longer need her. I don't.
Hey, it's not fair now. Do you want to leave her alone with me here in this village? She may turn worse. Well, Biko Mom.
She has a mother. I am not her mother. She also has a grandmother. Mama, I think it's time I faced my responsibilities. Yes. I have to go now. Take care of yourself.
Hey! Akede, you will not kill me. Akede, I will not die for you. Hey! Hey! Oh, wow. Adieu.
That was too deep. What's the reason?
No matter the reason, no one deserves to take another person's life.
No, not this one. She's your wife. And you've been loving her so much lately. Are you sure she wasn't lying to get back at her?
That was what I thought until I told her to have a taste.
And
she spilled the drink. She couldn't swallow it.
This is serious. At this point I can say that your life is in danger.
Swear down.
You just have to be very careful. Or better still, take precaution. Be careful.
Thank you.
Akede.
Mama. Akede.
Akede. Mama, You've called my name 3 times, so don't ask me how many times did you call me.
Why did you lie to me?
Mini, how did I lie to you, Mama? Wasn't she beating me and sending me to sell agbo under the hot sun?
But when she came, she said you will be helping her in her business. And we agreed. So it's a promise.
Promise keeper. Didn't she promise to put me in school? Didn't she? Did she put me in the school? Oh, she knows how to send me to sell agbo under the hot sun. Why did she keep her promise and send me to school since she knows how to keep promises?
Akede, my child, if your mother had not abandoned you here with me in the village, you will not be, and myself will not be at the mercy of anybody looking for who to help out. You know that. And come to think of it, why were you drinking agbo? Is it meant for children?
Me drink agbo. Fear. Mama, I was just testing it though.
Testing?
Elena, I said let me just test what I do sell. Because this is killing a lot of people. How will you do agbo and you will not test what you are selling? Plenty people are dying every day because of they are taking what I don't know, but I shall know that what I was doing is good. I was just testing what I'm selling, which is good.
You were testing it. Tester. You tested it that you got so drunk that you didn't even know where you were. What kind of testing is that, my child?
All these things are in the past. let's talk about the present and the future. See, Mama, I know my talents. I have found my talent.
Your talent? What is your talent?
Don't worry. You will see it very soon and you'll be proud of me. So this is where you stay. What did they do for my house?
Who is she?
I don't know. Who are you? I don't know her.
Please, what is the problem?
Good afternoon, Mama. I am sorry for burdening on you like that. I saw your daughter on the road and she passed without greeting me. And when I questioned her, she insulted me. She even went as far as calling me barren.
Hey! Oh, please, my daughter. I'm sorry. I apologize on her behalf. Oh? Forgive her. Oh? I'll talk to her later.
You better warn her, Mama. You better caution her. Because not everyone will take that from her.
Akidi. Mama, so now you believe what that small girl said? That small girl just entered there and brainwashed you and you believed it. Mama, let me tell you something. I was passing. She was passing too. I was walking. She was also walking, and she saw me first. Yes, so she saw me first. Why did she greet me? I did not see her. After she greeted me and I noticed and I said, oh, yes, so good afternoon. It's a different thing. She passed me and she wanted me to greet her first. When she saw me first. When Mama calculate all this thing, does it make sense? No, you see finish the question of this thing. See finish. Shall see me finish. Now see finish the question.
Akidi. You should greet your elders when you see them. Did you get that?
She's saying I called her barren. Is there any other name they used to call women that used to take 5 or 4 years to give birth? Tell me. Is there another name they used to call them? Is it not barren? She's barren. Mama, she's barren. Up to now, she has not given birth. Shut up. Enough of that.
I've told you to stop saying words that are bigger than you are. You're just a child. You don't open your mouth and just talk anyhow because you have words.
No, I'm not a child. Stop calling me a child. No, I'm not a child. I'm going inside. I want to do something. And you learn to support your family. Family first.
Family first. Listen. I don't support evil. It's not right for you to call anyone barren. It's wrong.
Yes. I should not call her barren.
Yes.
Yeah, no. Maybe next time I will start lying. If I see her on the road, I will call her Mama Ejima.
Hey! You just came back to the village. Some days back. I'm peaceless. Wahala. Hey! So then one more. Huh? She make us a walk one more.
No, this one is a little prolonged now. May I take water? You're not giving me blood, sir. Oh! This one is and see that, no, I don't forgive you bad thing. You're the one. Love, Atota. Original love. The husband of my youth. The husband of my youth. My husband, that is this. That is this. Let us take the video. Oh, Ochago, on your potato.
My husband. I'm sorry.
trouble maker. Don't look her size. Anywhere she goes, she want to scatter. Anything that she do, she wants her gain.
Good afternoon, auntie. And who is your auntie? You see the reason you cannot please you now? You're the one who carried your 2 legs to my compound, complaining to my grandma that I did not greet you. Now I'm greeting you, you cannot respond with your mouth. Maejima, good afternoon. Maejima, good afternoon.
This is real trouble. So even if you don't have respect, you cannot recognize who is your mate and who is not.
Don't worry. It's people like you that will come to me for help once I establish my destiny. I'm waiting for you.
No! You should have waited! You should have voted here and said that rubbish! Ajonwa!
Kai! Oh, this place fine, no? This girl sabi work, die. She did the way you arrange this place. Who go enter here no go think say this place no be better shrine? Where she never start this? No, make I post slippers, so they will do am. If person come see me with slipper, they go think say I be fake person. So which slants I go use now? Which slants? Make I use Azu. If I use Azu, people they go no say no be better person I be. Don't worry, I'll think about that one another time. My shrine is so if they come, I will sit down for you. I will make a sit down. They go sit down for you. I will sit down for you. I will make a stand. Why they sit down? You want to go happen to you? No. Now here I will sit down. Why they go sit down for floor? I can't take anything where I know. I can't tell them. See now the problem. Then they face with that. How this guy get all these things now? These guys have been working.
What is this?
Mara.
What is this?
Amafa.
Akede,
What did they do for you?
what is this?
Oh, you're welcome to my shrine. How can we help you?
Your what?
Shrine.
Hey.
I know say you go dey surprised. You remember that time when I tell you say I don't find my new destiny. Now my destiny where I dey tell you say I dey find. And destiny be this.
Native doctor is your destiny.
Na bad thing. Point of correction. I no be native doctor. I be Eze wine. Now the gods choose me. I was choosing to help this village, this land.
Eze why? Overnight.
Exactly.
Akede.
Mama.
Akede Amerigene.
You are provoking the gods. You are doing what? You are provoking the oracle. Do you understand? I'm not the Akidi. They call me as and wine. Don't call me Akidi again. Anytime you see me with this my verb costume, they call me as and wine, not be Akidi. Do you understand?
Akede. From now till tomorrow. Akede you are, and Akede you will remain. Akede!
The gods go vex for you.
Where are the gods?
Them go strike you, Mama. They go.
All these things here, they are your God.
Hey! Mama, they go now. No call spoil business for me. Now my first day be this. They go.
Oh, your first day. Oh! You see, I think you should start packing all you and your gods, should leave my compound. Did you get that?
Alpha, she don't understand what they happen for you. You understand? No vex here. Calm down. I know so your blood dey quick hot. Mama, madam dey vex so. They go.
This one here.
Mama, now small thing dey quick vex us so. We go strike you.
My personal belonging. Are you the one that told Oge to use this car to go out, my own car?
Oh, yes, I did. I'm very sorry. I forgot to even tell you.
Personal! How come you change location? You don't tell me so I will move with you. Are you not the one that told me that Oge will not be driving any car in this house again? Ever since I saved it from her nonsense poison.
Well, something came up, so she had to use it. Okay? Sorry about that.
It's alright. So what are we going to do now? I'm all dressed up. I'm going out to go and see my friend. So which car will I use to go out?
Okay, let me quickly book you a taxi.
You said what?
I said let me book you a taxi. Right away.
Me? Your wife, original wife without photocopy. Your wife! The real wife that had the ring! The one you put on ring, not one! So you see, this is it. You see, just imagine what you're saying. Just look at what you're saying. I remember when you came to your father's house to come and pay my bed price. I said, you know your people, you threat. There was nothing, you never have one car. You threat. I married you with your poverty like that. I did not even complain. Even when they told you to pay, you don't have enough money. I from back here send money to you so that you can use to complete my bride price.
Now shut up and stop talking what you don't know. You paid whose bride price? For your information, I was driving 405. Very clean 405 I bought in Kaduna. I have the Toyota Carina too. Then which nonsense lady this Benz?
Just look at the kind of what we are talking about. I don't even have your time now. Let me not start insulting you. What I mean
Why start insulting you? This noise you're making is for what? So you will not have allowed a pregnant woman to be walking around the state just like that? A woman carrying my child. Is it clear for you to go drive your car?
Shimo!
I think you're shouting. Why are you shouting at? I told you let me book you a taxi. Is it hard?
God of unborn babies. God of pregnancy. Now you the insult, not be me. Oh!
I did not insult. I only made a point. Okay? You're not supposed to be just walking around like that. I suggested let me book you a taxi. You're here shouting.
Hey! When I survey the wondrous cross
singing this song, that means there is trouble ahead.
Of which the King of Glory died. My riches gain accounts but lost.
Let me grind nuts in the blender. Come
Papa, good morning. Good morning. Thank you. Okay. Papa, what are you addressing this morning? Where are you going? I couldn't sleep last night. I could not sleep at all.
Is it because of what you saw?
Exactly. Yes. I'm hurrying to Zidbia's house to find answers to what I'm passing through. Can't you understand?
Okay. Papa, go away.
Okay, thank you, my son. Take care of the house while I'm away. And don't bring those bad boys of yours here. Why are you calling me by my name? Is that the normal greeting you are going to greet me as an elder, as an Ichie of this town?
Huh? A man whose house is on fire won't keep chasing rats. Would you keep seeking for greetings or rather get answers to your questions?
Oh, Gladys the river. Are you not Gladys' daughter? Where did you get your powers?
Because you know my background doesn't mean you know what I represent. Well, I will prove you wrong. Abumes and wine. And I have answers to your questions this morning.
What is it?
About what you saw last night.
What?
You're shocked, right?
Yes.
Now you know I'm not an ordinary person. Well, come to my temple and I will tell you all you need to know.
If you dey look her size, oh, I am sorry for you. Oh. You know, fit cheat her upon her own matter. See, she know they carry last year. She know they look Uche face. Anything way she like to do, na so she go do amo. Hey, hakidio, 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 hakidio. Onyen sobuo, hakidio. Manipulative girl.
So, where are your children?
Is why I know them.
You never married?
This is the one.
Why you go marry yourself? With all this red oil where you pack for your lip, see what you put for leg. Which responsible man go see you marry you? No, that's by the way. They are your parents. Why you not bring them come?
Is why they don't die.
Your parents don't die too. Which kind of bad market? Sure. No wahala now. Your siblings, why you not bring your sister come?
No, I don't have a sister.
Where did you can't get, I beg?
Is why just me and my brother, and he stays in abroad.
Husband you no get. Papa, mama you no get. No wahala. The God said it's your brother. You talk saying they are brother, be. He's in trouble. Yes, and he needs to come back to this land. If not, he's going to die in the white man's land.
Hey, he's why please, you need to do something, please. You need to help me. It's just all I have got, please. You need to help me.
Don't worry, I will follow my God's talk. My chi. Now then go tell me what I will do. And you said, you know carry anything come. Something where the gods feed chop.
So why I don't know. Next time I will bring, please. I don't know. I'll be next time.
You never carry even if it's foul. Money unko. Nothing is too small for the gods.
Yeah.
Next time, I won't make the gods answer you. You dey very, very greedy. You dey very, very greedy. You come here, you know nothing, you bring small thing for the god when they use cool body. Hmm? Take it inside.
Thank you.
May the gods be with you.
Thank you.
Akide. Akide. Akide.
Mama, what is this thing you're doing?
Oh, I'm consulting the gods.
Which gods?
Gods now.
That's by the way. Who owns all those food items? Bags of food inside there. Osebe?
It's for us.
Us? How do you mean us? Where did you get them from? Stop joking with me.
The people I helped now solve their problems. They brought it for their appreciation.
The people you helped? When did you start helping people? Where did you get the power to start helping people, Akede?
See, finish. This thing you just did now. You've seen me finish. Okay. You don't know I now have powers. I have powers. I've been having power. Don't that I've not been hiding my talents within me. But I'm here to now showcase it. I helped somebody. The person, he brought it for appreciation. I've answered your question.
Akede. Akam. Okum adekwea. Akede! Ahowakwange.
Mama, I've told you I am now an Ezenwine.
See,
I was in the spirit before you came to interrupt me. Please permit me to go back in the spirit. Please.
Spirit. You know what is in that spirit, we? Arutoronsi. Boy, I charge a Akede. Hey! Akede ahowakwangi o. Akede nekwakam n'okwum adekwamia. When did you just wake up one morning and power just fell on you to start solving people's problems? Akede adekwamia.
The master of it will be happy. You go and prepare. I'm hungry. The gods are hungry.
And who are the gods?
We.
We? Who are the we?
Now prepare food now, we are hungry.
I'm not preparing anything. I don't know any gods. I don't know what you're doing. Count me out!
You are provoking the gods, so they will get angry, oh. They will get angry, I'm telling you. They're telling me to tell you to prepare food for them, so they will eat.
Akede, when you start counting, count me out. You know, go? I'm not part of it. I don't know what you're doing.
Mama,
Koro.
You just... Masa, madness.
Yeah, no vex. Bring water for us now.
Water kwa? Is that not water? Drink that water now.
This is for spiritual problems. Why didn't you introduce all that thing? We want pure water. Pure water.
If you buy enough pigs, no matter how small they are, you will start training them. Ha! My brother will make money.
Who's your brother?
It's... My love, baby, chocolate.
They're like, what?
Do it again, please. Do that thing again. Do it again.
What is it? Wait, now?
The baby, our baby.
Which one? What's wrong with the baby?
Our baby.
What happened?
My waist.
Which baby?
My neck.
No, which baby?
Our baby, come on.
What happened? What happened to the baby?
Our baby. The thing just sighted me like it dragged my tummy.
Sorry.
Obi, my waist, my back.
Sorry.
Obi, let's go inside. Please, come and check something. Oh, please.
Come and check something.
Hey, just come.
I'm not the doctor. What do you really...
Just come now.
You want to take it to the hospital?
I just need a little massage. Just come and massage everywhere, my back.
Okay.
Come. It's paining me.
Massage. Only cleaner massage. You want to massage? You're massaging mommy water people. Continue massage. And they will turn you to spirit husband now. No. Which guy? Hi. To see how my husband is enjoying. Now this demonic kingdom came here now to carry him.
Baby, my waist is just paining. You know the way you need to massage it. You know the way pregnant, you know. Just do it like.
Where exactly do you want it?
Press it, press down very well. Put your hand down. Press it now.
You said it's your waist.
Touch it very well.
It's your bum.
Including my waist and my bum. Touch it now. I touch it well now.
Are you sure you don't need water or something?
Concentrate now. I'm showing you something. Touch. I need that man. You touch the bum.
Personal belongings. I was downstairs waiting for you to come and meet me. I did not know that you are here cuddling this Ogbanji.
No, it's the baby. According to her, the baby said that you.
Which baby? What nonsense baby are you talking about? Which baby?
Having waist pain. I should help her massages.
Don't My baby doesn't need noise. My baby doesn't need one single noise. Are you out of your mind? What's your problem? Look at this one. I want to give birth to deaf and dumb. Maybe you give birth to the baby hearing what? The baby is not even hearing anything. Just something. Imagine this point. She wants to kill my baby.
What do you mean that you give birth to deaf and dumb? My friend, spit what you just spit it out.
Spit it out! She's jealous because she can't give birth to a child.
And you don't say that.
Baby, it's paining me. Touch me. Concentrate. Just forget about that idiot.
Which one? Is it now that it's paining you?
It's paining me. It's paining me. Touch it. Press it.
How are you sure that she's not carrying any pregnancy? How are you sure?
What? See, look, I know you're jealous. It's normal. Okay? You couldn't do what she's now about to do. I get it. It's very, very bad for you to allow it becloud your sense of reasoning.
Me? Jealous? Jealous of that low budget cookie? God forbid. And even if I'm jealous, see, let me tell you, this girl is lying. She is using your head. Did she show you any doctor's reports? Ogosirigu?
It's not important.
Eh?
Yes.
You say it's not important. If you think I'm lying first and foremost, let her show you that the doctor's report first before we accept that pregnancy. Else, it's a lie. She must show you.
So if she brings a doctor's report now, you keep your mouth where it's needed.
Yes. For now, I will keep it.
Okay, it's fine. She'll bring it.
Yes, so go and tell her. Okay, we'll tell you. Everything. Fun that somebody just woke up in the morning and saw that she's pregnant. Is that how the pregnancy is easy? It's not easy to be pregnant. So if she's pregnant, let her bring doctor's report. So it's not possible. The thing is that if she should bring the doctor's report.
I woke up this morning only to meet my dress in this condition. Look at what they did to me. All these things that we use in this community to make it anyhow. I don't know if they want to use it to harm mine. To help.
Relax. I'm communicating with the gods. Your enemies have started. And if you don't act fast, they will go ahead of you. Yes.
What am I expected to do is a wine?
The gods, they are saying something. They are saying sacrifice. 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 Sacrifice.
What sacrifice is a wine?
You said relax, your blood to the rush. See. Before they look down on me before. Now you're coming to me for sacrifice. Eh?
I'm so sorry, Ezewine. I didn't know you were gifted.
No provoke the gods now. No just provoke us. Now small they could vex us. You they look down on me. Now you don't know how this life they build. You don't know. Nobody knows tomorrow.
I'm so sorry, please.
Shut up! If nobody say I be good as a wine, I will pursue you coming from my shrine. Cause you don't get respect. Man, a less child.
Ezewine, please don't forsake me. Please, I am begging you.
How much you get for your account?
Eh?
They mad. I be one die. How much you get for your account?
I have 15,000 naira.
Ordinary 15,000 naira. Ordinary. What can we do? We just have to manage the money. Go and bring everything.
Everything?
If I repeat myself again, I'm not going to help you.
Okay, I'll go and bring it immediately.
Idiot. Mom, this job sweet though. Hey! Make them come catch me.
It's like,
Hey! I see you're here enjoying yourself.
you know, now I have to enjoy myself. You know, fruit juice is good for the baby.
Yeah, yes. Oh, yes. So I heard. Well, next time you take fruits instead, okay? Okay, then that's no problem. I'll buy for you. I'll buy for you.
I trust my sweet husband.
So, you know, I talked about the test results, and I was hoping for you to give it to me without asking again. I guess you forgot. There's a joy in seeing it.
It's true. Let me go and look for it.
Look for it. Are you supposed to look for it? You're supposed to go to your handbag now and bring it.
I can't really place either the sitting room or the bedroom, but it's like I kept it in a drawer.
Okay, go and draw it out. Eh? Just go and bring it. Okay? Daddy.
My sweet husband. Take it. I'll come. Okay. Let me look for it.
I'm waiting.
Mama, what's up? Mama. Today was fruitful. Take.
For what?
Use it and spoil yourself. Buy anything you want.
No, I don't want. Thank you. Dalo, home.
I'm giving you money and you're rejecting it.
I don't want to be part of anything deceit. You are a fraud. I don't want fraudulent money. You know?
And which one is fraudulent money?
How? Akede. You are fraud personified. From your head. You've got, you don't see the going up again. Tonto. I warn you. You see this sun? Nothing is hidden under the sun.
Oh, Mama, see.
Sooner or later, Meginanya, vam.
Mama, see.
Don't call me.
The people I'm helping, I did not see the effect of my work. You can reject the money, but please don't call me fake. I am an original as a wine. Are you taking this money, yes or no?
Again. Also, when it starts, don't call me. Okay, Meginanya. Oh, yeah, me. Oh, yeah, me.
Let me find trouble.
How dare go? I'm wrong.
Okay. Hey! I've entered trouble.
What do I do? What do I tell you? Ha! Bam. Hey!
didn't train transport to bring it. Is it not here? Bebe! What 30 minutes? What is happening?
My stomach.
What is this?
My stomach is paining me.
Sorry about your stomach. Why did you tell me to wait? That you're going to bring the test result?
Test result?
Uh-huh.
What test result? Did I tell you of any test results?
Did you tell me of any test result? Are you out of your mind? Did you not tell me to wait? That you're going to bring the test result? That you said you don't know where you kept it, if it's in the drawer or in the bedroom? Is that what you told me before you left?
Calm down now. Why are you shouting at me now?
No, why would you say did you tell me that you're going to bring test results?
I can't remember of any test result. Well, the most important thing is that there is no test result.
There's no test result. So how did you know you're pregnant?
Because I was vomiting now. I was vomiting everywhere. Even my breast, very strong. Body ache, dreaming bad dream. That's why I told you that I'm pregnant. I've been vomiting everywhere.
Oh. So because you vomited, you just concluded that you're pregnant?
Now. Of course now, when a woman is vomiting, it means she's pregnant, isn't it?
Okay, maybe you're right too. Maybe it's me that is running faster than my shadow. There's no issue. Let's go and run a proper test. Yes, just go and get dressed. Let's go and run a proper test. No issue. Maybe you're right. Or you know what? Don't bother about going before I wait for you for 600 years. Let's just go now, okay? Let's go and see a doctor.
Wait now. Why do we go?
Let's go and see a doctor now. What's the issue now?
I don't know, but my tongue is
Let's go now. Just go, let me get my car key. I don't, just stay here. Let me not look for you.
Ike, you look worried. What is it?
Don't worry, I'm okay, I'm fine.
Don't lie to me. I know you very well. What is wrong?
Is it not that little girl that carried herself as a demigod?
Little girl? You mean the Eze-wine?
Who else? Yes, of course.
And what about her?
Ijoma, I think she's fake.
Don't say that. Do you want to get yourself into trouble?
I know what I am saying.
And what do you mean?
Somebody come here. Come back there. You know Sabi greet. Have you thought of what might happen to you if you don't greet?
I'm sorry, Zuma.
Come on bed and I greet.
Good day, Zuma.
I say make you bend down greet. Bend down.
Good day, Zuma.
Again.
Good day, Zuma.
Wait. Wait.
was already thinking about it. Then she made the same scary sound like the ghost that night.
And what if your thought is getting ahead of you? What if you're wrong?
That's why I want to find out.
How?
See, Ijoma, everyone started complaining about attack and ghost. Immediately she started her easy wine. It's not a coincidence. And about my plan, don't worry. I will let you know. Or probably you'll find out when I execute them.
So you don't want to tell me? You don't trust me?
EJ, of course I trust you. I trust you. I just want to do it my own way. Yeah? Don't worry.
Listen, why? The ghost appeared to my son as well. What's going on?
The gods are very, very angry with you.
Why? Why are they angry with me?
And because you did very stingy. You did very, very stingy. As you did, so you never sacrificed one cow for your ancestors.
My ancestors?
Uh-huh.
They didn't leave a dime for me when they were dying. I don't have money to sacrifice in the cow for anybody.
And then you never see anything. Them go to show you pepper. So the only thing now for you to buy cow, come there and sacrifice, give your ancestors. Else, meaning say your entire family go wipe. They will kill everybody. But no wahala, because say I be better person. Since you talk say you no get money, as you dey so you no get money.
I do got money.
You know what? And because I be better person, and because I be better person, the money for the cow, like this, you go divide them into 4. You go give me 1, then you go leave the rest to me. I will settle the gods.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm so happy. Hey, since you can solve my problem, what am I going to do? I'll do as you said. Thank you so much. I'm so happy.
Fast. There's no more time. Be fast.
Don't worry. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you.
This myself, stingy. How much the cow will say you no get? All these stingy people wey full this village. How person won't take chop now? Wow.
Papa, you are back. Welcome, Papa.
I just came back from Ezenu's shrine because of the continuous appearance of this ghost. And she has finally told me the reason and the possible solution.
Papa, I can tell you this for free. There is no problem. Ezeonu is the problem we have in this village. Yes, Papa.
Why do you say so?
Papa, I will not tell you. I will only show you. But for now, all I need is your support to go ahead.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
I will let you know at the right time. Yeah, Papa.
Really?
Yes, Papa. Papa, you don't have to worry.
It's not a laughing matter. You don't know what I'm passing through. I'm sure by the time I get home now, maybe my TV is upside down. I don't get it. I don't get why they cannot live together as one. Happily. Every day is fight. Every day is fight. From the gate, once I'm driving in, I'll start hearing their voices. Fight, scuffle. I just don't know why they cannot live in peace. They're more like Tom and Jerry in that house. 1 minute, this person will do one thing, and the next minute, this other person will do one thing. Do you know, even the pregnancy that I came here telling you that I will soon be a father was forged. Not to talk of my brother, where will I start from? Where will I start from? Yeah? Where will I start from? It's horrible. Am I the only man to marry 2 wives? I know some of my friends that married 2 wives. They're living in peace. You need to see them together. You need to see them. I'll show you their videos. They stay in peace. They make videos together. They eat in peace. They even in the bedroom. At 3 something they run. And they're living happy. I don't know why my own is different. I don't know. What have I not tried? What have I not done?
Well, I think I have an idea to end this once and for all.
You have an idea?
Yes.
Now you never tell me since I've been complaining to you. What's the idea?
Marry a 3rd wife. Yes.
I should marry a 3rd wife. Now I'm not saying you don't like me. Seriously. So I'm telling you that what I'm passing through for 2 hours married, they advise me to marry a 3rd wife. So I'll die, I'll dig my own grave inside my living room. How can you suggest such a thing?
My friend, I'm telling you the truth.
Which truth?
Yes. The 3rd wife will distract everything. To distract all their plans, all of them. And keep you safer.
How?
Yes. By the time you marry the 3rd one, they will always want to be at peace. They want to do things together, work together to make you okay, to please you. Yes. I think the 3rd one will save you a lot. Yes, think about it. Yeah?
I don't understand. I should marry a to make this one. I don't get your point too. But what I'm trying to sense is that marrying a 3rd wife will make the both of them jealous. Abi? Will make the both of them jealous. Those 2 people jealous. Let me say, anyway, I don't know how that is going to really look.
Think about it, okay?
So I'll be with one and both of them will not be jealous. Please what? Please what?
I'm sorry.
Please what?
I'm sorry.
So you scammed me. You scammed me.
Me? Why will I scam you? Now you know I love you.
Why did you tell me you're pregnant where you know you're not pregnant?
Why should I scam you? For what? You know I love you. Please.
So what happened? The pregnancy flew to Jericho.
Because I was vomiting everywhere now. I was just vomiting.
Can you stop sounding like a mad person? How does vomiting makes you pregnant? How did you conclude that you're pregnant because you vomited?
Because anytime I watch Nigerian movies, whenever you vomit, it shows that you are pregnant. Isn't it?
Wait, are you trying to make me laugh? I've laughed. You know you're very stupid. You're very, very stupid. What you did, is it good? Do you know how I've been practicing to be a father?
Because now don't do this to me.
I know what to do. Come. If you touch me again, I'll nod you. I will nod you. Don't touch me.
Because now make me cry. My God, I'm
If you don't look my size, I am sorry for you. You know, Fichita upon her own matter. See, she know they carry last year. She know they look at your face. Anything where she like to do, that's so she go do. Hakidio, 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 Onyen Sobu, Hakidio, manipulative girl, Hakidio, 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 trouble maker, Hakidio, trouble maker, Hakidio, no look her size, Hakidio. Eze wanyi yo, professor yo. Shady mama, corner, try. Bring your money, collect the solution. Na so she dey do, na so she be, manipulating, deceptive, na so she dey do, na so she dey do, wahala girl, na so she dey do, wayo, na so she dey do, hakidio.
All these you are enjoying now. Remember and be ready for the day of reckoning. Akide.
Even I will forget about the days of reckoning and join me to enjoy what I'm enjoying now. One thing before the day of reckoning, you don't die. Who go lose?
Oh, Mama Akide. Akide. Change from your evil ways. Change from your evil ways, Akide. Chiaria machiaria.
No, they pour spit on my food. No, they pour spit on my food.
I'm now pouring spit on your food. No problem. All I know is that I'm not part of you. I'm not with you. Muna geso kwa nwam. Okay, me. Okay, me kwari. Okay, me. Anya dogi. Oh!
Babele. Bangbo. This much wey God don do for me, you wan spoil am. You know say you no be rich. You be bad luck. Everything na anytime when I dey try enjoy my life, you dey wait show up. This is the sign. You be bad luck. Days of reckoning. Dey wait for days of reckoning. Days of reckoning wey dey even tire to come. Yeah.
Hey! Ebe orugo. Ekwukwara m ekwu.
Mama.
Where are you going to?
What kind of a question is this? You didn't hear what they said. They said they're coming to arrest me.
Did I not warn you? I warned you, but you will not listen. Now, you're sneaking out.
Even though. Mama, this is not the time for all this your money, so. Mama, at least I've saved enough money that can take me to my destination.
Your destination? Where is your destination?
Mama, it's that one I cannot tell you. I cannot tell anybody.
Even me?
What will I tell you? I know if they point gun on your head, you use fear and tell them where I am. So it's better you don't know. Please. This is not why I called you. I called you now so that you can hide me to that place so I can use see any bike I can use to run. Do you understand? So don't.
Have you seen it? When you fail to listen to your
Stop this thing now.
Stop what?
Shift, let me hide you.
But I told you I'm not part of all this your game. Tell me the simple language.
No, the shop now. No, the shop now.
I will scream.
You just kind of gamma in this phone.
I told you I'm not part of the game. I told you you will not listen.
I cannot believe I had been fooled by this little girl. I started respecting her even after she was rude to me. And I know I'm not her mate.
I told you, she's a very mysterious person. Now, she has associated with people with a lot of people.
I am going to her house to deal with her.
No, you don't have to do that. You are on it. If you eventually catch her, my grandmother will not be able to save her. I'm telling you.
That girl is evil.
Akidio, onye nsogbu, manipulating girl, Akidio, trouble maker, don't look at her size, anywhere she goes, she want to scatter. Anything that she do, she wants her gain, oh. If you dey look her size, oh, I am sorry for you, oh. You know fit cheat her upon her own matter. See, she know they carry last year. She know they look Uju face. Anything way she like to do, that's all she could do, I'm okay. Akidio, onye nsogbu, manipulating girl, Akidio, trouble maker, no look at her size, Eze wanyi yo, professor yo, Sherry mama kona ko, bring your money, collect the solution. That's so she dey do, that's so she be, manipulating, deceptive, that's so she dey do, wahala girl, wayo, Akidio, onye nsogbu, manipulating girl, Akidio, trouble maker, don't look at her size,
Who is there? Who did you stop? Are you good?
madam. Hello. This girl. Hello.
What's up now?
Who they look for? Yeah? This place looks like paradise. Yeah? Do you look like paradise in heaven, Mike? There's many houses. This place look like many houses in heaven.
Which kind of nonsense question with that one?
No, she said they go inside. I dey find person. No stop me.
Wait, who they find inside this place? Yeah? Does this place look like your house?
Yeah, it's okay. I dey find your madam.
Which of my madam? Is it the original madam or the other madam? Talk to me. Come on, talk to me.
Your one and only Madam Oge. Who are they find?
No. I tell you that this place is not your home. Oge is not my one and only madam. I know the one and only madam, the original. Origi. So who they find? Stop talking, start talking. Can you talk to me?
They talk. Let's say your eye don't need deceive you, Abi. I go to beat you for you now. Come on for you, they find your madam.
Madam, talk to me. You cannot go inside this house right now.
I dey find your madam, no, Madam Oge.
Okay, no wahala. But you have to stand here. Stand here, let me go inside, make my research, confirm if they know you, if they have any business with you, then I'll let you in. Stand here. No, move your hand from your waist. I'm talking to you, this kid. Are you okay? Stand still.
Why they call me spit, abeg?
No, I just wait here.
See Yansh.
Kai, why this house go find this, eh? So now we, okay. You can't leave me for village because I suffer all this suffering, all this while. Eh?
I'm telling you, that little girl is nowhere to be found.
Well, it is good for her. At least she's lucky. The elders and the villagers were already planning to deal with her.
But I am pained. I am pained that she escaped this. Well, she's not going to run forever. Every day for the thief, one day for the owner.
Alright, of course. I'm happy the way things unfold. I'm telling you. Okay.
Madam, what is happening now? Allow her to talk now. Madam, what is this? Stay here. What is happening? Madam, are you okay? Talk. Can you talk?
So, please leave. Go to your duty post.
Are you sure you are good?
And this is a private matter.
Private matter? I like private. I come in private. I separate private.
So no, I say go to your duty post. Are you stupid? Do you want me to forget my hands on your face?
No, my bad.
What are you doing here? How? When? Where? How did you locate this place?
I come find you now.
You come to...
I dey miss you. I say make I come meet you for city.
Miss who? Eh? What's your problem? How did you locate the village you came to look for me here?
Mama, which kind?
Shut up your mouth before I slap you. Who is your mother? Henceforth, don't ever call me your mother. Do you understand me? Don't ever. I am your auntie from your maternal side. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me?
Yeah,
don't come. Behave yourself here. Behave yourself.
Before you do all this long talk, I want your food.
Eh? You want to eat?
No.
Carry it back.
Hope say better food dey inside because I never touched you. But Mama, this house, auntie.
Bros, stand up. Who are you?
Bros, Alpha. Welcome.
Hello? I just asked, who are you?
Oh, who am I?
Yeah, who are you looking for?
I don't know. I don't even know how I take reaching.
What do you mean you don't know? You don't know who you are?
If you want to know who I be, go ask my auntie for my maternal home. Yes.
Who is your auntie?
Nashi.
Who's this?
What do you mean who? Are you blind? Which one is who? Are you not seeing the person I'm pointing at? Who is this?
Okay. That's my little niece. She came to visit us.
Your little niece that doesn't have respect? Asking me bros how far?
Bros, how far is your mates now?
Na greeting. I don't know say you go vex na greeting.
So on whose accord did you tell me before bringing her here?
Obi, Mama.
I'm not supposed to tell me.
I'm sorry. You know, I don't know. I thought I told you, but it skipped my mind. I'm very sorry, please.
Why is she doing like that?
Do I know? Maybe. I don't know. I'm sorry. See, Obi, don't worry. She just have little time to stay with us. Very soon she'll be going back. Oh, please. Just allow her.
Listen. She has just 2 weeks to stay here. 2 weeks! In fact, 1 week. I can't condone such attitude. 1 week!
Yes, Obi. 1 week. Please now. Mama. You want to kill me? I thought you go. I'm not leaving here. Shit, I tell you, you're not coming, Mama. Are you mad? What's your problem?
I don't come here. I know they go anywhere.
See, you better behave yourself. Behave yourself in this house. Else you will go back village. They hear me? Why you disgrace me now?
But wait, this house fine.
So see the kind of house where you live. You can't leave me for village and they suffer. You know what I passed through for that village. You know? Shut up. Behave yourself. Behave yourself.
Me, I don't come here to stay. I don't go anywhere. I dey here. And my new house with this.
See as you spread. See as you balance. See.
See how she person dey live.
See what this is like.
This is how I drink my auntie. Then my wicked auntie used to drink. I need to drink the beer. This drink. I will just open this one now. Fear. Let's go.
Yes. Who are you and what are you doing here? I don't understand. Oneki, who are you?
Which kind nonsense question be that one? You know the fear face. No, see my face, you know the fear. Point of correction. My name na Akidi. Thank you.
That has not answered my question. Who brought you here? Who are you looking for, madam?
Which guy? Okay, I know who you be. No need to stress yourself. My name na Akidi. Like, how many questions do you even want me to answer?
Answer one at a time.
My name na Akidi. And I come to my auntie's house to see her. Yes. All this maid when no get respect. Why maid like you self go they wear this kind of clothes in the first place? You won't follow your madam, they drag her husband. I know your plan. All this maid. I know your plan, but don't worry, God will expose you. Nonsense.
Now me you dey call maid.
No be maid before.
I know say all this plan in this house is to bring small Pinocchio like you to come and insult me. You are the recharge card that Ogi brought to come and insult me, Abi. Okay, no problem.
Wetin dey talk?
Okay, no problem. You see the way you came, that is the way they will package you and throw you out. Kuchara. Oh, Ina Kuchara. Okay, Ghana. Hold on for me.
Hold waiting.
Hold on for me.
See them. Now I think them they behave. Maid like you. You want to come and drag hand with me in my auntie's house?
Personal.
What is it?
Are you aware that this girl came, that small rat came here to come and insult me? Are you aware of her coming to this house? Did they tell you before she came to this house to come and insult me?
I saw her the way you just did.
Oh, thank God for this revelation. Thank God. If not, oh yeah, now thank God that you saw her the way I did. Oh yeah, the next action is for you to drive her, let her leave, pursue her out of your house.
Well, I'm sorry, I can't do that.
Isu?
I've already promised that she's staying. So there's no way I would go back and ask her to leave again.
You have to go back, oh.
No,
You're no God, but you can use your word is here and amen. Lie. You have to go back because you are just a mortal man. You make mistake. You have to go back. Tell them that was a mistake.
I can't. She's staying here for some weeks. I can't tell her to go now.
Personal, so you want that?
Oh. Listen. I want to rest. I want to have peace of mind. Can I have peace of mind for once?
You want to have peace of mind? Personal, you want to have peace of mind? No problem. Wait, I'm coming. What? Personal!
Oh.
Personal,
okay.
You accepted this girl. I want to believe it because I don't want to accept this thing. This thing you said now, I don't want to believe it. You accepted them to come to this.
I don't want to come out in newspaper. I don't want to come out in newspaper for killing somebody.
You want to kill me, Personal?
Can you allow me? I said allow me to rest.
Personal, you want? Personal, you want to kill me? You want to kill me so that you don't be newspaper.
I said let me not use anger and do what I feel like. Oh God, even the time oh my God, downstairs is so bad.
I want to kill me so you come out in this paper. Personal.
Eba. No, small. Don't rush it. Guys, don't rush him, guys. Don't rush it. Strong.
What's it happen for you? Oh my God. You're hot too.
Yes, now me the hot.
You know, see that thing wey happen that time. Okay. When I come the house, that time why they insult you na play. Na my own style of play.
So,
I don't mean am.
So you can apologize. Yes. What is it? Talk to me. What do you want?
I've been thinking. I feel test this thing wey they drink.
Are you okay? Are you there? This thing is not for small pikin. What I mean, if I give you this thing, you demonstrate madness.
Forget here. This thing. Forget my body. You forget say I dey very small. Wetin dey inside big pass you. You don't know. This thing I dey drink am very well for my village. I don't even dey sell am sef.
Talk true.
I dey sell am na.
Are you serious?
Na my business for village be this na. Now I wan drink am.
This is the monkey tail. You go display drama here. Oh.
That one I dey drink plenty type of this monkey tail. You know. I dey drink am. I fit test because of this thing now we go become best friend.
Oh, okay. Let me finish my one cup.
You know the finish.
No, now.
Soro.
That is you lose. Finish the one you have first now.
Okay, so.
Take.
No, if you test you don't go be friends though.
Take it easy, oh. Take it easy, oh. Easy.
This is why they drink steady for village.
I'm telling you, take it easy.
For village.
Don't fool the cup, oh.
I dey fool my cup.
No, it's too much. Don't fool the cup. That is the rules.
My cup. Nothing go happen.
We demonstrate drama here.
Nothing go happen. Nothing go happen. I go finish am clear eye. Nobody go know say.
Easy, oh. This thing go wound you, oh.
You no go wound me.
This thing go wound you, oh. I tell you. It's happening already.
Nothing that happen.
I'm telling you now.
The
drama is coming on. Give you like 2 minutes now. You display here now. There's going to be a madness here now. Yeah. 2 minutes. I'll talk 2 minutes now. Under 1 minute, madness is coming out.
Where do you take get from? This one dey very very cheap.
I get it many in my inside my.
You get plenty.
Plenty of it.
Because of this, we go dey very very good though. You go be my very close friend for this house.
Because of this thing. Because of this thing, right now.
Make I go keep am now.
Keep waiting. They give you something. One carry and come out. That's all they take for village.
Small thing, body go.
Give me the cup first. Something was to make it test.
What's that? Huh? Why are you staggering?
Which kind of nonsense question? So with that one. No, with the mad. Waiting they do you. Why you going to ask me that kind of question? I will slap you, eh?
Wow. Come. Do you realize who you're talking to?
Who you will be? See this small boy. Go kitchen. I want like that for you. I come here because my leg they pain me. I want like that for this chest. Stand up. Stand up!
Obviously true.
I want drink. No doctor. Jesus Christ. I want Jesus.
What is wrong with her?
I'm sorry. How did you want to get in this house? I'm sorry, please. I'm certain she's under the influence of something.
The person is influence of what? Which alcohol did she take?
I don't know now. I'm not under any influence. Tell this small boy, maybe stand up for me. I tell him I'm not. You want to kill me in this life? If they sent you to me, let's go. I'll go.
Can you imagine a small pin charger? It's calling me boy. If I slap you, you change color.
He said he's going to slap me. Where is he? Akili.
Am I your mate?
Na small thing be good person. I'm sorry. You know say na small thing be good person. I will beat this small boy. You don't have respect. You want my mate? I be your mate. I'm not talking to my husband. I be your mate. God bless you. What did you take now? I beg now. My mistake. I don't know how you take up things. Don't vex for me. I beg, forgive me.
Can you imagine this happy and you? This narrow road, na mistake. You are calling me a boy. Anyway, let me not talk. Okay? The only way I'm going to forgive you is for you to tell me the truth. What did you take?
I don't take anything.
My friend, will you start talking before I reset your brain and slap you? What did you take?
Wait, you're lying before me. You're still lying.
Now medicine I take.
What kind of medicine?
Washing and setting medicine.
What are you washing and what are you setting?
Okay, you're supposed to know this kind of thing now. Monkey. But now test, I just test small of monkey tail.
You took monkey tail?
Now I test, I not take and I test.
That one they used to use Igbo to soak. You took monkey tail?
I not take and I test.
You took monkey tail? Who gave you monkey tail?
Hey!
Your days are counting. 3 days to go. 3 days to go.
Hey!
Who give you monkey tail? You will talk before I reset your brain now. Who give you?
Now test, I know take her.
My friend, shut up. Who gave you that monkey tail before I slap you and reset your brain? See her head.
Now that gets mine.
Solo? Hey! Solo has killed me. Solo has killed me. Solo!
No, she will be shouting me.
Just shut up. You're this stupid girl.
Don't have much.
Solo! Man. You want to kill him? No. You want to bury him?
How?
Solomon!
Easy.
Hi! My enemies are at work.
I reject.
Solomon!
They cannot be at work.
You want to kill him?
No, I cannot kill
you. You want to bury me?
You are coming closer.
What have I done to you?
Nothing at all.
Why would you give my daughter? Why would you give my little niece Agbo?
Mama, what I'm saying, why will you give my daughter my little, are you confused? Is he a daughter or a niece? Anyway, that's by the way. She just assured me when I was taking my things. And she said she want to drink. I gave her now.
And you were so foolish. You were so stupid. So give her this little girl. You gave her monkey tail to drink.
No, I was not finished. She willingly accepted it to clear her eye.
And you don't have sense that she's a little girl. You gave her eye. Solomon.
Solomon.
Ma.
Go inside and pack your things immediately.
I should go inside.
Go inside
and
now.
pack my things.
Yes.
For someone that asks and that give, the Bible says ask and shall receive. No problem.
Solomon.
Solomon. Sorry, ma. 1 minute. You said I should go inside and pack my things. Am I coming here to live with you? Am I coming to exchange your room? Like you relocate, I take over. You vacate, I take over.
You did not hear what I said.
I heard what you said. I don't know that I did not have the one I said.
Hey.
Yes.
Solo, I say get in. Get out from here this minute. Go and pack your things.
Ma, I'm sorry to say this. It seems like you are confused. Get in, get out. Which one am I doing? Am I getting in? Am I getting out? Talk to me. Both of them are getting.
Live here now.
Okay.
Get out from here. Can you imagine? You see what? You see what? Now says like this. You test. You want to send me out of my matrimonial home. How destined of this you want to take for sure you come up for your matrimonial home? Do you know how long I built this home? Do you know what it took me to come into this place? So you want to kill me? Now washing you want to kill me before my time. You want to kill me? Calm down. Taste like this. Before me food, I need you. You have. Mama told me everything. What you did and how you started scamming people in the village. What is your problem? Are you the only one in this world? Can't you comport yourself?
And so?
And so? I don't understand. So are you mad? Don't you have respect? You're telling me and so? Take your time, Akidi, take your time.
Wait. Which respect do you talk? As long as I'm concerned, you are my auntie from my maternal home. So don't expect me to give you motherly respect. Just remain in your auntie position, please.
Okay. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Before I blink my eyes, I want you to go in there and pack your things. You're leaving this house this minute.
Oh, I will go now, no problem. But until we see if I come on this house, so far they go together. Because I will go inside now, go tell your husband, say, Mama, I'll go tell her the truth.
Go now. What's your problem? So you really wanted to go in there and tell my husband?
Now. Since you want me to leave, we'll go together.
Don't worry. You're not going anywhere. You'll stay here with me.
As I stay for this house, no expect me to give you motherly respect though. Stay in your anti-maternal position side. I will give you your anti-respect. You know, anti-respect and motherly respect, they different. So anyhow I take to react to you, take her, maybe my auntie. Yeah? If you want me to give you motherly respect, tell me now, make I go inside, tell your oga who I be. Tell am say na my mama be this so make I dey give you respect. And so it go be.
Akidi! What kind of a child did I give birth to? Now wow, people dey born. Hey! God abeg o. Akidi!
Let me just go straight to the point. As the Oni of this house, I want to take wife number 3.
Never! Imam Maye, I'm gonna go for my. You will not try.
For what? Not when we are alive.
Who is the we? Who is the we?
Not when I am alive.
See, my husband, I tolerated it the first time, but you see this one, we will not tolerate it at all. Who is the we? Don't look at photocopy.
Get out. Jeku, how many times did I call you? You know, it's not because I'm keeping you quiet in this house. That's why you want to be foolish. You cannot keep your mouth in one place. Why would you want to take a third wife? If you venture try to take a third wife in this house, I will set this building ablaze. You don't know me. You don't know me. Get out. Don't talk when I'm talking. Keep quiet. Look at her. Look at this. You don't have work training.
This is best I allowed it. Was it not the same way they forced you down through my throat? I accepted you. You knew I was the first one. Yet you still put your head side side chick turned wife.
Look at you. Amadio has struck you there. Shameless.
Look at you.
Do you have a family?
Do you
come from anywhere?
Everything about you is expired.
Do you come from anywhere?
Your makeup is expired.
You are a local.
Your hair is expired. Even the clothes you are wearing is expired. The clothes you are wearing is expired.
Get out. You don't even have respect. No home training. They didn't give you home training. You don't have respect. Your husband is here. Your husband is here. Shameless thing.
You don't have respect.
You don't have respect.
Come on, bless me.
Have you seen anything? Witchcraft. Carry this your witchcraft to the village. Do you have a family?
Very funny. If you see the way they reacted when I told them. My brother, for once since I married them, they agreed on one thing, which is that I won't do it. So if you see the way they attacked me, for what? Marry which one? If I try it, this one say no, this one say no. Though they were indirectly attacking each other, but the fact remains that they said no. The both of them agreed on that.
So what next?
Of course I won't. There's no way I'm going to do that. That will obviously cost my life. But the fact is that the aim was achieved. I mean, they both, agreed on same thing.
So you stick with them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Enjoyment. Wow. I don't enjoy this. Nah, child. Are you mad? Are you stupid, Akedi? Don't you have respect? If you try to put your hand close to this thing again, I will use a rhino to whip your neck. What's your problem?
No, tell me, wetin I do? Wetin I commit? Why you dey very wicked? Why? Actually, so this small thing where I want to help you follow your enjoy now, you don't dey vex.
Okay, no problem. Go and get me juice. Fresh one, cold one. Get me fruit juice so I can drink.
Now why you call me come out? No, you call me out because of juice.
My friend, go inside and get me cold fruit juice for me to drink. That's why I called you.
So now because of juice you carry me come out. Make I go drink.
Go and get it now. Yes. You don't have respect.
I see no do mama and pikin play with you.
Look at what you are wearing. See all your body just showing everywhere. Look at that agro. Hey. Akidi. Akidi, what is this?
Juice.
I don't understand. What have you done?
I don't do anything.
Hey! Why did you urinate in this juice?
I don't know. Be like that they take produce the juice. Me, I never even test myself. Now so the juice take come like that. I don't know.
You're very stupid. Before I blink my eyes, get out from here. Take this to the kitchen immediately.
May I can't waste all my strength where I use waka come. You know, you go drink am like that too. Now then how they take produce the juice from the company. No be me producer. See, I don't tell you.
Akidi! Look at her, see what you're wearing. Very irresponsible child. What nonsense. Can you imagine? Just imagine. Akidi! Auntie. Akidi, what is it? Can't I have peace in this house?
You're enjoying. Hunger dey catch me.
Ooh, you are hungry. You are hungry, Abi? As you can see, this is the only remaining food in this house. So I promise you that one single drop will not fall inside your mouth. You will see wickedness. You think you're the only one that is stubborn. You haven't seen anything.
So I know you chop food. No lie, we go chop them. Whether you like them.
Akili! Put that for here. I love you, man. Come on. Give me that food. Just imagine this girl. Akili!
Oh, yeah, go.
No, give me that food now. Hey, my heart, my coffin.
You see, I don't like the fact that we've been living in this coffin. At least for once, we need to sit and have fun. Okay, so today, I decided that I want to take you out. Yes, let's go out there, sit down like one family, and have, few bottles of wine. Then come back home and sleep. Of course, we'll even stay in one bed. Yes. We're supposed to even stay together. I don't heard of twosome. We're supposed to stay together and relax.
I reject it.
Okay, so that is what I want. Let's stop all this scuffle, all this bickering, all this. No, there's nothing in this life.
There's nothing in that.
There's nothing in this life. Okay, nothing. We need to be happy. So I want to take you people out.
I'm just stubborn.
Okay, no problem. But
you don't need hair. You're not putting your weave on.
My husband, you are talking as if you do not know the wife you married. You married a natural woman. Without no makeup but still beautiful. Unlike some people that behave like a man.
It's okay.
It's you that asked me question.
This is exactly what I just said. What I just said now, this is exactly what is about to happen. Can't you just answer questions simple?
It's Ogbanje people that wear wigs.
It's okay. It's okay, my wives now. My wives. Let's go. It's fine.
But the fact is that I will sit at the front seat.
What do you mean that you will sit in the front seat? See what she did to me. Look at this buffoon. You see what she did? Say that you want to sit in which front? Your father does have a car. Are you the first wife? You don't know that first wife that used to stay in front seat. Did you see what she did? Does your mom father have a car? Did you see what she did? The you came from, do they have a car? I said, close your smelly mouth. You're going to be begging me. I'm asking me that can we manage and take people like you inside the car, maybe in the boot or on top of tire, or use the car follow us behind as convoy? You are here talking to me.
Do I blame you? When I know you are a witch, you will not accept it.
What do you want to get this time again?
Give me Ebele Okaro.
Hey! You see what you have caused?
The worst is that he keeps grinding.
Why shouldn't he grind? Tell me, why shouldn't he grind? Of course he enjoys the blender noise more than your useless.
You are a very big fool. You are not Bama. What you are saying? Your husband is very different. Your husband is also being blending.
I will hit you now.
Hit me.
I will hit you. What can you do?
Hit me.
I will hit you now.
Also, every time I keep better,
do I blame you? You also are not so good. Look at that. I'm shifting.
Marine spirit.
Yeah, demon. Ogbanje.
Retired.
No, come again. You did what?
I said I poured that pepper water, small pepper water. Dikeh came here with breast. Just carry her breast you go to this place. I was looking at her. I said, you came to look for, we say, my husband. I said, what? You came with your breast? Without brazier? For what? I not done anything bad. I just said, hold on. I went inside. I brought water. I packed pepper inside. I poured water inside. She said, that's why she was shouting.
Wait.
Next time.
You poured my client pepper water. My client that is supposed to bring me millions of naira. You poured that water.
Yeah, the one, that one.
You poured my client pepper water. And your prof is standing before me and say nonsense. You poured my client pepper water.
It's not your client. That girl cannot be. How can that small? Don't be doing that kind of thing. Which kind of? Look at that small girl that wear handless with her brazier, with her nipple standing. How can she have millions of naira? What better want to carry a small picking? It's not even do better hair with leg chain and hand bead. You are saying she. I beg you, leave that thing. Which one is that you pour her? Don't mind that guy. I know that you're just saying all this thing. Let it be that you.
Why did you choose to punish me like this?
God did not punish you. It's me that punished you. Me, I know I'm big. I have weight now. I wear boba. I'm a rich woman. But my account is not rich, I understand. But that is not enough reason for them to say that this small rat, my husband think he has sense, does not have sense. That this girl that wear handless, without brazier, have millions of naira. Okay, let me check. Handless without brazier. I want to see Mr. Cheku. If he's rich, he will come and say, I want to see Mr. Cheku. You should say, I want to see Mr. Cheku. I don't touch that girl, the side chick. There's nothing my husband will tell me. Now I shall take up of that. There's nothing he will tell me. You want to make me feel bad. I don't feel bad though.
So tell me, are you giving me the money or not? I don't understand. Did you give me any money to keep for you? This is wrong. So this is what I'm saying. Eh? This is what you're saying. Yes.
No. I will go inside.
Yeah, now waiting at the talk. Yes. Now waiting at the talk. If you, I will slap you off this slap you.
No wahala now. If I go inside, I will tell your husband, see my biological mother.
Eh now, since you don't give me the money. No, tell me how you think I may feel. She said, come this house, you tell me make I like give me say you be my aunt. Shut up your mouth. I'm gonna call my mama, my biological mother. You give me you. When you are the least of my problem, are you giving me the money, mommy? Tell me, are you giving me the money? Am I the first person that gave back to a child? Tell me, am I the first person that gave back to a child? What can't do this one? I was it for you. Eh? No, tell me, am I the first person that gave back to a child?
Okay.
There is no one like you. There is no one like you. Father, is this the way you are? It is true that God works in a miraculous way. I wasn't even supposed to pass here, but you said, my son, pass here. This small prayer that I just made, Father, you answered me. Father answered me. So this is it. This is it. You lied to me that she's your niece, whereas she's your daughter. I'm sure that if you check well now, you might be mother of 5.
You know why I like myself? Just tell me to see how you use my mouth to say, Oga. Wow!
Wow! Like, wow! Look, I don't want to see, if you know what is good for you, just go upstairs, carry your bag and leave. I didn't say pack. I said carry your empty box and leave my house. And never you come back.
I'll die. Go carry your bag.
Go inside that room, carry your bag and leave. I said carry, I didn't say pack. Don't pack anything. Just go and carry that empty box.
I will die. I will be your.
I don't know where to start. I'm not trying to make excuses for what I did. But somehow you don't have to blame me. I am the only child of my parents. My mother will call me. My dad will call me. My relations will call me. Everyone is pointing their fingers or trying to remind me is the fact that I am the only child. And my father needs a successor. So along the line when this marriage started, of course you know we were living in peace. But then, even with the fact that you didn't give me a child for years that we're married, you were still not being remorseful, you were cursing me, but you were not being respectful. Yes, at some point, you changed. That led me into looking outside.
This idiot, you are the only one that does not have any human being existing in your family.
Shut up! Are you guys not ashamed of yourself?
No, sir, they don't get shame.
Shut up. Come on, shut your mouth!
I'm sorry, sir.
Did you know what the gate man said?
No, they did not hear, sir, because he said I should shut up. I'm ashamed of them, let me tell them. I'm ashamed of people. Very ashamed.
So, you people have lost that respect. That you now quarrel in front of the gate man. Are you people mad? Is it that I cannot come back to my house and have peace of mind? No. Am I the first to marry 2 wives?
No, sir, you are not the first. You cannot be...
Get out of here.
Sir?
Don't get out of here.
You said she get out.
Carry your cap, come up for here.
There is expire channel for please.
See, I'm the road smelling anyhow.
You talk.
Wait, I want to understand something. Is it that I cannot come back to my house and have rest of mind? Did I use quite to swear for you people?
How do you have rest of mind? Am I the one that told you that you go and bring this expired man got into this house to come and compete with me? Am I the
Look at her. Is it not because of your barrenness? That is why I came in as a rescue mission. To rescue your life. You this witchcraft.
Expire China for cleaning. I have seen the trailer load of children that you have given birth to. Since you got into this house, have you given birth to any child?
I pay my tithes. I sponsor child children. I sponsor church project. I pay my time. How did the father punish me like this?
I will give person.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
You're putting me spit in my body.
Down. My husband is talking, you are talking. Down. Can't you people pity me?
Look at me. Am I not looking worn out?
You are really.
Can't you people give me peace of mind? Is it hard to ask? Is it hard to ask of living in peace? Is it hard to live in peace and harmony in this house? Am I not doing my best as a husband? Small food that I just ate now has vanished. Because I married 2 wives. I need something to eat. Please, just get me something to eat now.
My husband, I will buy food.
I know Oha.
I will get you something.
You know Oha is your best.
Continental dishes.
You know you are worn out now. You need to upload this your muscles.
See,
if it's this one you want,
I will give you also from the doggy style. Like this.
You don't every time you want to be messing inside your husband's mouth, eh? You'll be messing with fatting in his mouth. Eh? Anyhow. Honey, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. Don't mind her. I don't like the way she's so fat in front of you. Any small thing food too, she has put her nails before you, which is not right. Hey, you're such an entitled man. How can you do any way?
It's okay. My bad. Let me go and grind potato.
What do you want?
Husband. You will enjoy it. Just pray. Hey!
You see, I don't understand. Push it out of here. And you're not going to put it me from the rubbish poison. I beg this my food, Jare. Okay, we'll let you give you food.
I don't understand too. I don't understand. Jehovah! Jesus! Is it my food? My plate! You're not there, I swear! You threw my food away! I swear that Bino! Did you make them do for my own food? My own food will kill you! You are talking about it! Bless you! I forget you! That's a forget you! I say that mess I want to mess. You will for whatever. Don't mess in my mouth! Oh my God! If you should mess in my mouth, that's you know.
Before I have meat here. Now what I'm saying here is only bone. But that's, by the way, is nothing. Okay? I want to understand one thing. Is it that you people don't get tired? Guys, don't you have headache? All this fighting, you people don't have headache. Why can't we live in peace in this house? Why can't we live in harmony? When you wake up in the morning, you see your co-wife, you greet her. You hug her. You ask her, how was your night? Why can't we live like that? Why can't you understand that I am your husband and you need to respect me and give me peace of mind?
And there's only one way you can have peace in this house.
Very good. That's why I want us to have this discussion. So you tell me what I should do. Because I'm ready to do anything. Everything it will cost to bring peace in this house, I will do it.
Beautiful. Thank you very much for this question. Thank you. So you can do anything, Abi. Send this good for nothing God digger. I'm no permit thief. Send her away from this house.
It is your full generation, your mother, your father, even that your barren said that is a good thing.
Look at who is barren. When you say very barren, it is your generation that is barren. Shut up properly. See the kind of hair you are carrying. Every idiot. You look at her. Yogurt. Expired yogurt. You are very stupid. You are the one that will leave this house. Shut up properly. No, to see you now. See you every day. One leggings that you are wearing. You better. You were even something to me. You didn't tell her enough. No, you're not telling me enough. You know what? Hey, people say you are the one that's going to go and bring this idiot into this house. Your eyes is like a blind Bartimaeus eye. You don't have eyes that can good at all. This is your brain. Nothing is inside. Look at the kind of people you want to go and bring. You know, never know no cocoa. You never know no you are doing something. Yes, I'm not telling you. What you happy? place. So now I could bed.
So you two have joined that.
You are social. Yes, so
because you don't have sense.
I'm joining him.
You think it's to wear glasses and carry your shirt and spread. You not carry those things. You are not carrying to this house. You are not ashamed of yourself.
Can you just shut up first?
Oh yeah, now talk. Talk, we're here.
Let me use the blender. I want to grind pancanel.
You see me? Yeah, what do you
Look at you. You will leave this house. You have not seen anything. I will torment you. I will torment you. You never see anything. Hey. You never see anything. I'm not carrying this thing over for here. Look at her. Okay. You're not ashamed. You will leave this house. Witchcraft, everywhere. Demon. Holy Ghost fire. Okay. Holy Ghost fire will consume you. Look at that. Maybe you will get it. See that your stupidity. See that your sorrow. Because you will see the bend. Continue to sing. Don't carry this thing come up for here. Your sorrow. You never see anything. I beg. Come up my side.
It depends.
No, continue now. Why did you stop?
Because you have come.
No, continue now. No budget Yemi Alade. Continue. See your fans, you're cheering them. My house has turned to a stage. I don't know what is wrong with you people. Are you people not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed of yourselves? I'm asking you. Is it that I cannot come inside my house and have peace of mind for once? Can't people just surprise me? Can you not just surprise me with living in peace? Must I come in here and meet WrestleMania all the time?
Chimo, see who is talking about peace. Hey, did you not tell him? He that fetched an ant-infested firewood should be ready to see the gathering of lizards. Yes, you have not even seen anything. Which WrestleMania? Hey, you have not even seen anything. You are complaining. This one is just Monday Night Raw. By the time I will give you SummerSlam or Royal Rumble, he gets your brother Jesus. Nothing will come and rescue you. Bet it. You don't know. You have forgotten. Go and ask them in our village square. I am a nice wrestler. I give people blow, they will faint. That is it because I decided to hang my boots. I beg you. By the time I finish beating two of you with two hands like a conga, this house will not even contain you.
Then it will contain you because you are going to sleep outside. Yes, it will not contain the same people because it's obvious that you are very insane.
Very insane.
Yes.
Touch me. Touch me.
What can you do?
Like the way I so give people. Touch me again.
I touch you.
Touch me the tendon.
Touch you.
Oswald. See the one commanding you, you're not touching me.
The money was just here. Meaning what? Huh? I kept the money here now.
Yeah, take your time, this thing you are doing, God will punish you.
Touch me again.
I will touch you. You are the one that is on sword. You are the one.
Who stole the money I kept inside my drawer?
Who else? If not the thief you brought in as a wife.
Okay, shut up. I'm not here to entertain any banter. I asked this very simple question. Who stole? You know what? Let me know you stole. Okay? Maybe I know someone took it inside my drawer. Maybe I didn't keep it well inside my drawer. Someone helped me keep it well. So please, who took the money I kept inside my drawer?
She took it. She was the one that stole the money.
Isu? My mother has scattered
Shut up. What did you say?
I said she stole the money. I saw her. I will prove it.
I hope you understand the gravity of what you just said.
Of course I understand.
Shut up, Hey!
I understand. I'm ready to show you. She stole the money.
You saw when she took the money.
Of course.
Are you believing this idiot?
You saw when she took the money. And you know where the money is.
Let me show you. I saw her.
Show me what?
Let's
Money don't follow this fool. This ex-mad woman that you're following. She wanted to deceive you. She will deceive you. Who knows if you want to go and do another thing with my husband there? I cover my husband and it's something with the blood of Jesus. You will not use it for any ritual. Idiot. Bring the money now, let me see. Oh, go and disgrace yourself. May God punish you today if you do not say anything in that bag. I will carry your head. Two of you head, I will knock it together.
I know you to be troublesome. I know you to be a fighter. But you see, stealing, I don't know you like that. So you went to my drawer and stole my money.
What, is it me? God forbid, Batty. What am I using your money to?
For what? I want to understand what. Have you ever asked me for something in this life without doing it for you? Have I ever been stingy to you?
I did not steal your money. Is that what you're talking about?
My friend, shut up. So the money grew legs and went inside your bag. No, it grew legs and went inside your bag now.
So you believe her? I'm sure that this is just setting me off.
Why wouldn't you believe
I don't so thief.
Please. I've been looking for some small things, small money, small cash I do keep. Please, if you know that thing you stole from me, okay, let me know you stole. You kept it well for me. Please, just kindly bring it out and keep it where I will see. Maybe if I'm going out, I'll just see it there, or maybe on the bar, or maybe here. Okay, please bring everything you stole from me out.
Bring it.
It's obvious that you disappoint me. You disappoint me.
It is this imbecile. You are a thief.
You are the one that is an imbecile.
You are succeeding.
You are the one that is a bitch. Make sure you know it. I don't see you. I saw when you were sneaking. Why did you not sneak it? Okay, show me.
Jacka just went to the village. You took one. Come, baby. I'm a thief.
I'm a robber. You do not steal the money. You do not steal it.
Hello, welcome, honey. My love, are you not tired of keeping malice with me? Are you not tired? I will not let you be. I will not let you be. I will not.
No, come and force me
I will not let you be. You have to listen to me. I'm telling you.
And if I refuse to listen to you? If I refuse to listen to you, what will you do?
I'm not the one who stole the money.
So who stole? The money grew legs and went inside your bag.
It's that girl. You know that witchcraft, that's how that girl will be. Ochakamaka. I am innocent. I am not the one who collected the money. That woman.
No. The money grew legs and went inside your bag now.
You know that Ochakamaka, that girl that looks a vampire, that girl just like trouble. She's very, very angry because of our original marriage. That girl don't like original marriage. She wants my marriage to be like her fake marriage, the kind of fake marriage you want to go and do with your something.
This thing you say, how does it connect to that I kept money in my room and the money went inside your bag?
It did not went inside my bag. It is that girl that set me up. It has connection. Original marriage and fake marriage plus money that they stole. Tell me now, is it not connected?
It's connected.
Yes, now it's connected spiritually.
It's your brain that is not connected. Please, don't.
My love, wait now.
I said don't.
Calm down first. Let me tell you. You have to understand though. This girl want to put confusion. She wants to put confusion in our marriage. That's the thing now that I found out. She wants to put confusion in our marriage. She wants to. She's the one that. See, she's not the one that put the money. How did she now know the exactly place I kept the money? How did she go and bring it? If she did not want to set me up, tell me. Oh, you see my husband. You see how you are looking now, meaning that you have sense. Because he's a man that does not have sense. That will say that he does not understand what I'm saying. But you have sense, so you understand what I'm saying.
If you know what is good for you, just get out. Just come on, leave my. What do you mean? He's a man that has sense. So that means I don't have sense now?
No, it's when you don't understand
me.
me.
No, it has turned to insult. Me, I don't have sense.
It's not insult, honey. It's when you don't understand me. That's when you don't have sense. But I know you understand me, so you have sense.
Clear road.
Okay, you want us to move? Oh yeah, let's continue to move. Let me explain to you. As I was saying, come, let's be going. As I was saying now, why you sit there, honey? What is happening? Let us go.
I brought this upon myself.
Yes, so you brought it upon yourself when you brought in that wicked person. Take her away so that you don't keep on bringing things into your body. I'm telling you the truth.
Don't eat that food! Ah! They poisoned it,
Obi! You are about to eat a poisoned food now. I don't want you to die before your time. I cover you with the blood of Jesus. They are about to poison you. Jesus Christ.
Just imagine what you're saying. Are you mad?
Did you not poison his food?
Did you poison my food?
Obi, don't make me say that I'm disappointed in you. Why should I poison your food? Must you listen to every dog that barks on the streets?
Look at this budget the cookie. Low budget the cookie. Look at it. It's not called Samaritan spirit. If she said that she did not poison this food, or you drink the juice, or you eat the food, you think I did not see her? I saw her with my 2 colorful eye when she was poisoning your food. She did not know that I saw her. I'm your CCTV, don't worry.
Wait. You poisoned my food.
I don't understand.
Look, this is a very serious matter. You poisoned my food. For what?
Are you kidding me? Why should I ever think in my head to poison you? For what?
Jesus,
okay. Wait. It's fine. Very, very okay. Just test the food. You didn't poison the food. That's fine. Just test the food to prove a point.
I don't understand.
The food, or you said you saw her poison the food and the juice.
Yes.
Test, even if it's the juice. You don't want. You're filled up, right? You're filled up. Test the juice.
Why should I drink it? For what now? If you don't trust me, it means you don't love me.
No, it's fine now. So in case you say the food is heavy to eat, drink the juice. It's just to drink it.
Drink it, low budget.
It's fine. You didn't poison it.
Low budget mother, drink it.
No, it's fine. It's fine. You said you didn't poison the food, Abby. It's very okay. Test it.
Why should I test it? Look, Obi, I don't like this nonsense.
Fine. You said you didn't poison it. It's very simple. Just test it to prove a point. Even though you don't want to eat the food, it's fine. Just test the juice. You said you saw her poison.
I saw her. Test it, low budget mother.
It's okay. Just
look, I'm not drinking this. If you don't trust me, means you don't love me. What's the meaning of that?
Meaning what? What do you mean by that? I didn't ask you to test food, so you don't say it's heavy. Just test the juice. Just take a sip. It's fine.
Alright, fine. If I tell you I'm not disappointed in you, I'm lying. This witch will just come from nowhere and convince you.
Test
your mouth.
Test it.
You know, I will test it. Fine. Is it not juice? I will drink it.
Test it, low budget mother. Test it. I said it. Obi, what did I say? Cover me with the blood. Father, cover me with the blood. Cover me with the blood. Father, cover me. Hey, why would I do such a thing? Now what? Holy Ghost fire. She's not. Holy Ghost fire. She's not. Holy Ghost fire does in the name of Jesus. We are the Lord in Jesus. Holy Ghost fire destroy them. Holy Ghost fire pursue them. Holy Ghost fire pursue them. Holy Ghost fire destroy them. Holy Ghost fire pursue them. Holy Ghost fire pursue them. Holy Ghost fire destroy them. Holy Ghost fire destroy them. Holy Ghost fire pursue them. Holy Ghost fire pursue them. Holy Ghost fire destroy them. Holy Ghost fire destroy them. Holy Ghost fire pursue them. Holy Ghost fire.
Who's your brother?
My love, baby, chocolate.
They're like, what?
Do it again, please. Do that thing again. Do it again.
What is it? Now.
The baby. Our baby. Which one?
What's wrong with the baby?
Our baby.
What happened?
My waist. Which baby? My neck. No, which baby? Our baby. Come on.
What happened? What happened to the baby?
Our baby. The thing just sighted me like it dragged my tummy.
Sorry.
Obi, my waist, my back.
Sorry.
Obi, let's go inside. Please, come and check something. Oh, please.
Come and check something.
Hey, just come.
I'm not the doctor. What do you really?
Just come now.
You want to take you to the hospital?
I just need a little massage. Just come and massage everywhere, my back.
Okay.
Come. It's paining me.
Massage. Only kill massage. You want to massage? You're massaging mommy water people. Continue massage. When they will turn you to spirit husband now. No. Which guy? Hi. To see how my husband is enjoying. Now this demonic kingdom came here now to carry him.
Baby, my waist is just paining. You know the way you need to massage it. You know the way pregnant, you know. Just do it like.
Where exactly do you want
press it? Press down very well. Put your hand down. Press it now.
You said it's your waist.
Touch it very well.
It's your bum.
Including my waist and my bum. Touch it now. I touch it well now.
Are you sure you don't need water or something?
Concentrate now. I'm showing you something. Touch. I need that man. You touch the bum.
Personal belongings. I was downstairs waiting for you to come and meet me. I did not know that you are here cuddling this Ogbanji.
No, it's the baby. According to her, the baby said that you.
Which baby? What nonsense baby are you talking about?
Which baby? Having waist pain. I should help her massages.
Don't
My baby doesn't need one single noise. Are you out of your mind? What's your problem?
Look at this one. I want to give birth to deaf and dumb.
Maybe you give birth to
the baby hearing what? The baby is not even hearing anything.
She wants to kill my baby.
What do you mean that you give birth to deaf and dumb? My friend, spit what you just spit it out.
Spit it out! She's jealous because she can't give birth to a child.
And you don't say that.
Baby, it's paining me. Touch me. Concentrate. Just forget about that idiot.
Which one? Is it now that it's paining you?
It's paining me. It's paining me. Touch it. Press it.
Let me just go straight to the point. As the owner of this house, I want to take wife number 3.
Never!
Imam May, I'm gonna go for my. You will not try.
For what? Not when we are alive.
Who is the we? Who is the we?
Not when I am alive.
See, my husband, I tolerated it the first time, but you see this one, we will not tolerate it at all. Who is the we? Don't look at photocopy.
Get out! Jeku, how many times did I call you? You know, it's not because I'm keeping you quiet in this house. That's why you want to be foolish. You cannot keep your mouth in one place. Why would you want to take a third wife? If you venture try to take a third wife in this house, I will set this building ablaze. You don't know me. You don't know me. Get out! Don't talk when I'm talking. Keep quiet. Look at her. Look at this. You don't have one training.
This is better than I allowed it. Was it not the same way they forced you down through my throat. Ewu, I accepted you. You knew I was the first wife. Yet you still put your head. Side chick turned wife. Ewu,
look at you. Me, I know Amadio has struck you there. Shameless striking.
Look at you.
Do you have a family?
Do you
come from anywhere?
Everything about you is expired.
Do you come from anywhere?
Your makeup is expired.
You are a local.
Your hair is expired. Even the clothes you are wearing is expired. The clothes you are wearing is expired.
Get out. You don't even have respect. No home training. They didn't give you home training. You don't have respect. Your husband is here. Your husband is here. Shameless thing. You don't have respect. You don't have respect.
Come on, bless me.
Have you seen anything? Witchcraft. Carry this your witchcraft to the village. Look at that. Do you have a family?
I see you're here enjoying yourself.
You know, I have to enjoy myself. You know, fruit juice is good for the baby.
Yeah, yes. Oh, yes. So I heard. Well, next time you take fruits instead, okay? Okay, then that's no problem. I'll buy for you. I'll buy for you.
I trust my sweet husband.
So, you know, I talked about the test results, and I was hoping for you to give it to me without asking again. I guess you forgot. There's a joy in seeing it.
It's true. Let me go and look for it.
Look for it? Are you supposed to look for it? You're supposed to go to your handbag now and bring it.
I can't really place either the sitting room or the bedroom, but it's like I kept it in a drawer.
Okay, go and draw it out. Just go and bring it. Okay? Daddy.
My sweet husband. Kiss me. Take it. I'll come. Okay. Let me look for it.
I'm waiting.
Okay. Hey! I've entered trouble. What do I do? What do I tell you? Ha! Bam, 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 bam. Hey!
Then train transport to bring it. Is it not here? Bebe! What 30 minutes? What is happening?
My stomach.
What is this?
My stomach is paining me.
Sorry about your stomach. Why did you tell me to wait that you're going to bring the test result?
Test result? What test result? Did I tell you of any test results?
Did you tell me of any test results? Are you out of your mind? Did you not tell me to wait that you're going to bring the test result? That you said you don't know where you kept it, if it's in the drawer or in the bedroom. Is that what you told me before you left?
Calm down now. Why are you shouting at me now?
No, why would you say did you tell me that you're going to bring test results?
I can't remember of any test result. Well, the most important thing is that there is no test result.
There's no test result. So how did you know you're pregnant?
Because I was vomiting now. I was vomiting everywhere. Even my breast, very strong. Body ache, dreaming bad dream. That's why I told you that I'm pregnant. I've been vomiting everywhere.
Oh. So because you vomited, you just concluded that you're pregnant?
Now. Of course now, when a woman is vomiting, it means she's pregnant, isn't it?
Okay, maybe you're right too. Maybe it's me that is running faster than my shadow. There's no issue. Let's go and run a proper test. Yes, just go and get dressed. Let's go and run a proper test. No issue. Maybe you're right. Or you know what? Don't bother about going before I wait for you for 600 years. Let's just go now, okay? Let's go and see a doctor.
Wait now. Why do we go?
Let's go and see a doctor now. What's the issue now?
I don't know, but my tummy is
Let's go now. Just go, let me get my package. I don't stay here. From the pressures from my family and the fact that my mates, Ndoka that we got married together, Ndoka has 3 kids now. My very close friend, he has 4 kids now. Just a year before I got married. But let me not go to that part. We are here to amend things. I'm here for us to move together. But I don't want to go back to the real, like I said. But I'm just trying to remind us what led to me going outside to get another woman. But little did I know that getting another woman is to pour fuel on already fire. That one came and lied. It's not even that girl though. That one is not her only child though. She has grown up 3 kids. That one you're seeing is even the last born. Which I'm wondering, what kind of body does she have? She came and deceived me. Because I was always looking at her womb. It's rumpled. She said no. It's because she's always doing sit-up. That sit-up caused a line in her tummy. What do I know? So please, let me not go back to that. The mistake has been made. Somehow you led to it. Somehow I also caused it. I'm meant to have patience. Like now I'm ready to be patient. Whenever God says that he's going to bless us, fine. But let's live in peace and harmony. Biko, I am very, very sorry for everything. I am sorry. Now I want to be that responsible husband that will be there for you. And for you to be that responsible wife that will be here for me. Please. Nothing will ever make me, though nobody is praying for anything, I believe that God will bless us one day. I'm already seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. I believe that we must hear a cry of a baby in this house. So there will be nothing like bringing any woman here. No. That chapter is closed. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm very, very sorry. And we will suffer together. You know how we started though. Of course you know. This is when we're meant to be enjoying our wealth. The money that God has given us.
Me, I'm very sorry too. I know I contributed. But it was because you were not patient with me. I know I was nagging a lot. It was because of the pressure coming from you and your people. I was just overwhelmed by our childlessness. That was why. It's not like, I'm not a nagging wife. I suffered with you. You know how you came to my traditional marriage now. You know how I was able to give you some money. And you understand.
Don't go to that one. Okay. Don't go to that one.
Okay, is it okay?
Don't go. It's because they seized my goods that time. What are you trying to now point at?
But the goods later did not land, and you know that. So there's no problem. Let me
please.
It's okay. I forgive you, and please forgive me too. I promise to respect you, no matter what.
Of course. course. I know you will. Hmm?
I miss my period.
You missed your period.
I miss my period. What God cannot do does not exist.
So what does that mean?
It means what God cannot do does not exist. I use your head to calculate.
Well, of course, I'm an adult. When a lady says she misses her period, means that
I am pregnant! I find out 2 days ago, but he went on inside my heart, refused to let me tell you the truth.
we've reconciled though, because if you're trying to play another game, to start playing with my emotion, it's God that will punish you in this one. I'll just go to Blessed Sacrament and naked for toiling with my heart.
You will naked for me?
No, because why would you be playing with such things?
I'm not playing now. I'm pregnant. If you think it's a lie, now let's go to the hospital now. I'm pregnant. I confirmed the pregnancy test strip. You showed 2 lie. Okay, if you think it's a lie, ask the baby. Ask the baby. Touch my tummy. You did not notice that. Did I see my period last month? No. I used pregnancy test day before yesterday. It showed 2 lies. I used 5. It showed 2 lies. 2 lies. 2 lies. 2 lies.
You're pregnant?
Yes, now. I've not been eating since. You don't notice it. I've been vomiting. If you think it's a lie, let's go to the hospital tomorrow. I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant?
Yes.
Are you really pregnant? Tell me the truth. Stop doing this.
Jacob.
I know you joke a lot. Are you pregnant?
Jacob.
I'm
pregnant. I am pregnant with your original baby. At least my original marriage is protected. Jacob, I don't like it when you used to hold my head like a small child. I told you, whenever you want to hug me normal. Don't be hugging me abnormally.
I really
I don't used to like it when you used to do me. I don't like all this kind of things.
Stop!
Leave me, Jacob. Jacob, leave me alone.
Pregnant?
Yes. Jacob, you have hold my head.
Sorry. Where do you want me to hold you?
You're putting it on my shoulder.
Okay.